Higo no card specialta on in you I Bark on Crokic. You're all very welcome to this very special occasion today in the National Handball Centre in Croke Park. This is the O'Neills.com All-Ireland Senior Singles Finals in the men's and ladies grades. We'd like to welcome all our players, our supporters, our officials, and everyone watching at home. And big thanks to our broadcast partners, Spórt TG for bringing this into the living rooms and mobile phones of everyone around the country and around the world. First up today is our O'Neills.com Ladies Senior Singles Final. Serving first is the former Irish wall ball champion, a former inter-county footballer from the famous St. Coman's club. Please put your hands together for the pride of Roscommon, Fiona Tully. And her opponent is the 2023 All-Ireland four-wall senior champion and 2 times senior doubles champion. Representing the Mihal Brathnocks Club in Galway, put your hands together for the world champion, Sienna Nicarin. I'll now ask you all to be upstanding around the vein.
Sinna fianna foil a toffee leg Buin dar slew our dear the Ronnie Queen Fe void fesser Shantir our shin sure fasta Ni og for feintir on of feintroid Anog the heims of Arnabuel Legian gwil con bosh no sail Legon Ishgreg Fui love of Nabiler Shall live connig our on Navian.
Okay, this match is 2 21s and a tiebreaker to 11 if needed. No cheering, please, during rallies, but we'd encourage you all to cheer your heart between rallies. We now hand over to our match referee, Mr. Frank Daly from Dublin.
1-2.
Okay, welcome to the All-Ireland Senior Finals. Starting with the women here, Chris Gavigan here with Ollie Cassidy. Aaron Devine brought to you by Cleanna Daly, which did a great job, Ollie.
Lovely singer. That's the first time I heard her singing. And
so just to let you know, the 2 line judges are Shane Walsh and Rory Lynch.
So Cleanna doesn't just do commentary here, but she also sang.
Okay, Fiona to serve.
Just about to get
best of luck to both of you.
Fiona, Frank
0-0.
Frank Daly refereeing this one.
Scott ball.
Screen and a short.
And of course, we've the great Paul Fitzpatrick on the MC today.
Paul, master of ceremonies here in Croke Park for the biggest day in the four-wall championship.
Side away.
The real blue ribbon in the singles. So good. So quick side out for Sienna. She drives it down the left. Opportunity for Sienna. She pops that one out. Both ladies trying to feel their way into the match here, Ollie.
Yeah, they're pretty nervous, I think, starting off.
1-0.
Fiona to hand her there. I think it's just nerves settling in. That's a good serve, dropping awkwardly. That's a really good serve from Sienna. That's a very good start from the girl from the tribes.
2-0.
It'll take a couple of minutes, I'm sure, to dispel any of the nerves and get into your flow, but if Fiona scoops that one, that goes up onto the back wall, that's going to be an opportunity. There's contact there on the way through.
2-0.
Sienna, winner of the All-Ireland Senior Singles Championship in 2023. The current senior doubles champion with Niamh Heffernan from Clare Galway. snatches at that one. That was a big opportunity, Ollie.
Yeah, she was going for her pet shot there on the right hand side. Usually she likes it,
0-2.
but I suppose just a bit of settling nerves.
Yeah, you can always feel the nerves from the crowd as well. They know this one is
Short
it
ball.
goes with a head fake down the left, kicks it down the right though, just comes up short.
She'd want to be getting that first serve in like she was last week. She was playing very good handball up to this.
Yeah, last
Fiona.
2 weeks against Katrina Milan as well, she served exceptionally well.
Chance here. Oh no, the nerves are still there for the Roscommon lady.
Slide away.
That was a big setup left up off the back wall. So Sienna drives one down the right that comes up off the back wall, goes around the house.
Oh, it's a
Sienna
lovely
puts
touch.
that one away.
Just enough petrol, just lobbed into the corner. Look at this, let it drop. Lovely
Mark,
textbook shot.
3-0.
Kind of drops it in there. So Fiona drags around the house.
That's better
That
from
was-
Fiona now.
Yeah, got a little bit of luck. It cracked out
Slide
off the
away.
right hand side wall.
0.
Caught Sienna a little bit flat footed. So Fiona,
That's a
Fake.
great serve.
Oh, what a
That's
serve.
some of the form that she was doing last week.
that'll give her a real set of confidence
Mark,
now because she
one
head faked that
serving
down the
3.
left as well. That was exceptional. So Fiona drives another one down the right.
And get, oh, a great pick from Sienna. I thought she got that.
Sienna as well to dig that one out too. This is a big opportunity for Fiona. She drives down the right. That's going to be a point.
With the makings of a cracker of a game here, Chris.
Yeah, well, the
Both-
last two championships
Mark.
that these two ladies entered, they got to the finals of in
Two.
Nick Kerr
Two
and the
serving
Cheese
3.
Ace, and both of them went to the tiebreaker. So both went in Sienna's favour in the tiebreaker. But
That's a great serve.
that's a great serve. Got to say, the last couple of weeks, Fiona's serve has been absolutely sensational. And she
Together
showed
at
another
3.
one there where she goes for the deep crack serve. So Fiona's settling in nicely in the last couple of rallies. This one pops up. This is
Big
going to be an
setup.
opportunity, but Siona goes to the ceiling.
Mark. 4 serving 3.
So Fiona drives that
Great
one
serve.
too. Great. Oh,
Sienna did well to get a
Yeah.
hand to that.
Slide away 3 serving 4.
Great return.
so Sienna back in the service area. Goes for the left hand. Drops it down to the left hand side again. So Fiona looking like she's
Slide
starting
away,
those couple of
4
serves.
serving
It
3.
seems to have settled her down, Ollie.
Yeah, both girls are really up for this now. That's another big serve down the left. Set up here for Fiona off the back wall. She lets Sienna have the chance. Fiona needs to be taking them chances if she's going to win this senior title.
Slide away.
You gotta take the bun.
Serving 4.
So at 3-4. Sienna going back. Oh, and puts
Oh.
into the floor.
Slide
Now she
away.
did that twice last week. Yeah, it's
Our buddy
Four
Patrick Murphy
serving
does
3.
that sometimes as well.
well, that's a harsh call on Paddy.
Well, he does.
He does
He
sometimes.
does.
It's a risky.
I
They
think
go
they're-
for risk.
I think they're trying to put it low with spin and it
Yeah,
reverse it. A lot of people does it now, to be fair.
yeah, it happens. Just it's unusual at senior level
3
to see
serving 4.
a serve being driven into the ground. Again, shows how much is on the line. Sienna changes her serve that time, goes underhand. Fiona flicks it up to the ceiling. That's a good shot from
Sienna
Fiona.
looking for
Slide
a cover.
away. Ball was gone by you, Sienna.
I was surprised she didn't go for it because the ball was up.
Yeah,
I thought she might have.
Sienna. The ball
Frank's
was gone
not-
by you.
Frank's not going to change her mind. Sienna's actually wasting some
That's the way I
energy
saw it, Sienna.
in arguing
4
this
serving
point.
3.
It's a 50-50 call, if I'm perfectly honest. I don't really disagree with Frank's call there, to be honest. That's a
Great
big
serve.
big serve.
5 serving 3.
So Fiona. That's a big setup. Fiona going to go for this. She does.
Yes,
Flattens
she
it.
does.
That's a
Time
really
out,
good
says
shot
it.
from Fiona.
Sienna wants to quench this fire now a bit. Time out now
Time out.
to see can we cool off Fiona's serving, because Fiona's really starting to come into this game now.
Serve is making a difference so far. So we're going to just take in these two, Fiona's profile here, from the St. Coleman's Club, and up here in Dublin, based as a teacher. I was the current Irish Nationals champion, which she won in Kilkenny back in November. First open singles title in four-wall. So always has been a high achieving player all the way through the grades, and this is her second senior final. Lost the final 2 years ago to Katrina Casey. So
10 seconds.
Big shout out to Katrina. I hope she's on the mend.
absolutely.
She's
You don't have
missed.
anything to tell us, no? You were away with the missus last week. You don't have anything to tell us, no?
No, I didn't get
6
engaged, if that's what
serving
you're
free.
implying.
I didn't
Hopefully
mention that, but if
hopefully
you
she's
want to
not-
talk about it,
Hopefully she's not listening. Every time you meet her, you ask her.
bit of crack though. You needed to hear Fiona tries one
Slide
into the
away.
ground.
Oh,
Wow,
sugar. That's,
wow,
3
that's
serving
I wasn't
again,
expecting that now.
maybe a little bit of nerves. That's so
suppose
maybe
it
the
is.
best timeout ever from Sienna. To Fiona digs that one out. Goes to
And Sienna's starting to get her serve in. Last week she wasn't getting the first serve in.
Mark,
This
4,
week she
4
seems to be
6.
getting it in a lot better. Going for the crack. Set up again off the back, what? That's a great pass shot.
Fiona gets her hand on it, but just not enough.
Mark,
Interesting first couple of exchanges here. We're
5 serving 6.
at 5-6, and no one really standing out so far. That's a
big
great
serving,
serve.
big serving. Sienna's showed up with the first serve this week. The last couple of weeks here, she wasn't
Together
getting
at
that first
6.
serve in at all. But she's getting it in today.
So Sienna Nicarine.
There's a nice hop on it too, Chris.
Yeah, this is a tough one for Fiona. She goes for it. Opportunity for Sienna. She doesn't take it either.
Oh,
that's
it's not
into
like
the
her to
ground.
miss them. They're her
Yeah,
favourite
shot.
shot.
two big opportunities
6
there,
serving
Ollie.
6.
From both players, yeah.
So Fiona, with the scores together, goes for that crack serve. That's a brilliant serve.
Yeah. Excuse me. Both players are
7
serving unreal
6.
today.
Yeah, it's the serves that are.
Look at that again.
That's a good shot from Fiona.
That's a great
It's a
cut
really
off.
good shot.
8 serving
Yeah,
6.
both players when they're serving are showing a
good
lot
serve.
of control.
Oh,
That's a
lovely
great serve.
float. That's twice
That's
she
a
done that now.
brilliant shot.
See that she took the power out of that and
Side
floated
away.
into the right corner.
6
That's a lovely
serving
shot.
8.
So Sienna serves it, drives it down the left. Peel on the
Shane.
short.
I think it looked short from up here. Did you?
You looked short to him
One
from
agree,
here.
one disagrees. So it's a sharp ball.
So Fiona digs out of the back right. Oh, a great shot from
Went to
Fiona.
get that because it was into the body.
Yeah.
Sienna put it into the body. It was a great shot from Fiona.
Yeah, really good paddle.
8 serving
Really good
6.
paddle rekill.
That's an awkward height too. Oh, that's a good,
Good
serve.
serve. Fiona drives one down the right. Sienna just about sticks it up. That's an awkward one.
Good pass.
That's a good pass, yeah.
Fiona hit a good serve there and she didn't fly that return.
Side
The fly,
away,
she was set up for
6
the fly, but she let it
serving
bounce
8.
and let Fiona back into the rally. Oh, it's another one.
Side
That's
away.
the third one of the match.
They're concentrating really hard on the serve,
8 serving 6.
both players.
But like they're costly errors now.
They are. That's a lovely
And then-
shot. She'll
then
do that all.
Fiona-
She'll do that all day, Chris. That's a lovely shot.
Yeah, Fiona overhitting the serve, leaving it
6
easy.
serving
Like,
8.
it's crazy to go from one extreme to the other from Sienna.
See the way she didn't dwell on it though. She didn't beat herself up over it. She just carried on and reset.
So
Lovely
Fiona,
touch. That's a lovely touch from the Roscommon lady.
there's nothing separating them at the
No,
at the
the
moment. Ollie.
standard-
They're both playing quite
8
similar.
serving 6.
Standard is unreal.
Floating little kills into the Ryan corner. A few mistakes here and there, but so Fiona drives it again down the left. Opportunity for Fiona. She flattens it. It's a good shot.
Yeah, Fiona just missed with that range from the kit dog.
Yeah, she's very sharp in there.
9 serving 6.
Fiona is a supreme technique. So opportunity to fly, as you said. That's going to be a
Play the
really
ball
Cover,
again.
yeah. That's what she needs to do. Take the game from there. Control it.
There's nothing she could do, Sienna.
yeah.
9 serving
I don't-
6.
Sienna feeling a little bit out of sorts and kind of, I don't know, arguing with Frank quite a lot, to be honest.
Drop
Ollie.
ball
It's not
on the
usually
line.
her gig.
I suppose it shows she's interested. She's
Still
hungry.
9 serving
And I think the
6.
American game, would it be an avoidable there? She's looking for an avoidable.
That wasn't avoidable.
Was it not?
No, definitely not. Fiona went for a corner kill. Ball popped up and back at her feet. There wasn't anything Fiona could do. Like, an avoidable is if you actually move into the ball. Like,
Is it or not get out of the way?
yeah, if you're purposely doing,
6
like, Fiona was
serving
going
9.
for a shot there. It definitely wouldn't have been even a question of it. So Fiona drops it off the back with opportunity for Sienna. She goes to pass it.
It's unlucky.
7 serving 9.
Great
That's
serve.
a great
Great
serve,
hopping.
yeah.
If you want to well to reach that now.
Oh, it's a great
lovely
shot.
touch. She's the standard in this
Unbelievable.
final is
Oh,
very
it's
good,
class.
Chris. It's
Side
unreal.
away.
Look
Both
at this
girls
for a
working,
shot.
9
working
serving
really
7.
hard, pulling off master strokes.
That was massive.
Big setup here for Fiona. She's going to take it. Good pass. No, she gets a second bite at it. She needs to kill this.
That's a good shot, yeah.
10 serving 7.
Yeah. See, the last two serves, she actually didn't put them off the back wall, which is the only
Side
weakness
away.
out of that serve off
Seven
down the
serving
right
10.
side for Fiona was that she was leaving a couple off the back wall for Sienna to kill.
Yeah, it's just coming up.
Right.
Both players fighting for the centre.
It's a good shot. Well dug out by Sienna. Fiona goes to the ceiling. Sienna puts it up. That's
Awkward
going to
ball
be an
dropping.
awkward one, yeah. Opportunity off the back wall for Sienna, but drops awkwardly off the glass. Sienna goes around the house.
Good ball.
Oh, that's a great
They're
shot.
hard to get back, especially in this court, Chris.
Yeah, absolutely.
Goes into that twilight zone there in the
8
back corner.
serving 10.
Especially their ball is kind of dark blue. It's very hard to see it.
Yeah, it's harder to see than the men's ball even.
Lovely
Fiona.
dummy server. Fiona's on it. That's a lovely shot. Lovely fly kill. That's serious handball. Great serve, great fly kill. That's very good.
Time out. Going back
So,
at 9 serving 10.
again, the minimum is separating these two ladies at the moment. We're just going to pull up Sienna's profile here. Sienna,
Favorite player, Chris Gavigan. Very good.
I doubt it. I don't think I'm that inspiring. Her favourite player is Paul Brady. Yeah, current Mick Curran, she's ace champion. Two titles she picked up in January. Obviously won the All-Ireland singles in 2023. The current World Open champion as well. Was exceptional that day. Won in a tiebreak over Martina McMahon. and the current All-Ireland Senior Doubles Champion as well, 24 and 25, looking, I've no doubt, to win her 3rd title in a row this year,
girls.
which would be quite an achievement for the Galway ladies if they get there. But the only thing that'll be on our mind today is this All-Ireland Senior Singles title.
Sienna serving 9, serving 10.
You hear Frank, the minimum between them at the moment.
Yeah, it's neck and neck.
Short ball.
Still a long way to go in this first game. If it keeps tight like this, we're on for a cracker. Just see, you wonder which of these players are going to maybe get a little flurry of shots.
It's a very good second serve from Sienna, and she takes advantage of the poor return from Fiona. Really good second serve.
Together at 10.
So the scores come together again. Sienna with the ball in hand. Good crowd here so far. No, there's still a few that are coming in.
Again,
and
that
I'm sure
ball
there's
dropping.
10
There's plenty
serving
at
10.
home watching as Fiona gets the serve back.
Yeah, that ball came round the house and dropped into the twilight zone again.
So Fiona from the deep court leaves that way up off the back wall, but got a little bit lucky with the bounce. Drives that down the right. Opportunity for Fiona as she smokes it. Absolutely. She just looks so confident off the back wall with her left hand, Ollie.
Very good. Very good left hand today.
That's a good serve as well.
Serving like that, she's up for it. The Roscommon lady is up for it.
Just keeping her nose in
12
front
serving 10.
the last 5 minutes. That one goes around the house as well. This pop up off the back wall.
Big
Fiona
setup
leaves.
here.
That was a loose shot from Fiona, and she gets punished. It's a big
Side away.
Roscommon
10 serving
contingent
12.
here to watch these finals. There'll be plenty more at home as well. Watch the same in Galway. As Fiona digs that one out. Sienna sets up, drives it down the right, up off the back wall. Fiona goes for the corner. She goes flat.
Great, great.
What a shot, Ollie.
Great shot. She looks at her hand as well. That's a lovely shot. Sienna did well to get a left hand to that. Lovely shot. Came over the top for forced it down.
So Sienna. Feels like there's a bit of pace going to be. Sienna trying to up the pace a little bit here.
Side away.
So
10, 12.
Sienna back into service, going back and forth and back and forth.
Short ball.
She needs to be careful.
I know it. So Sienna tosses the second serve, goes all the way around. Fiona does well to dig out of the backcourt, but leaves it up off the back wall. Sienna goes to 2-0 pass it. Same again off the right. So Fiona goes around with an
Awkward ball.
awkward ball.
Oh, brilliant left-handed play here from both girls. Look at this. Really good kid dogs.
Real technical battle here. He's going to blink though. This is an opportunity for Fiona. She goes around. Sienna does well to dig it out.
Big rally. Big setup for Fiona. Right corner.
Fiona leaves it up. This is an opportunity for Sienna. Fiona digs it out. Big rally this. Sienna.
Now a chance for Fiona with the kid dog. Goes for the
Oh,
corner
that's-
kill. Great rally. Best rally of the match so far, Chris.
Yeah, just Fiona just looked like when she was looking to shoot that ball off the left, off her left, and just kind of didn't get herself sorted. Scooped it up in front of Sienna, and Sienna put it away. Sienna drives it down the right. That's an opportunity for Fiona. She doesn't take it. That's
Play
a
the ball
contact.
again.
So there's plenty
11
handball
serving 12.
on here today. Loads of All-Ireland Masters finals in men's and women's grades. Tomorrow we've got the intermediate singles, the junior singles, under 21, junior B,
Second serve,
35s,
11-12.
and in the same in the ladies and the men's. So lots of handball action on St. Patrick's weekend here. That's poor from Fiona. She just left it up in the middle for Sienna, Ollie.
Yeah, and Sienna took full advantage.
So the scores come together.
Oh, set up for Fiona.
Big opportunity for Fiona. She put it away.
Great angle, lovely angle.
She didn't strike the ball nicely, but she got the
away.
the shot she wanted in a way.
Yeah, you kind of lose it off that glass sidewall. If you play it in there, the ball hits the sidewall and you kind of lose it for a second before you can react. It's different to any other court. Big chance for Sienna.
She goes down the right. Yeah, Fiona a little bit annoyed at herself that she left the ball up so much that time. Again. So Sienna flicks it around the walls. Both players looking for a loose shot, and Fiona gets the rub of the green that time.
Side away.
No players.
12.
It's 12. It's neck and neck. No players pulling away yet.
No, it's
big serve, but it's
that's
short.
a big serve. I don't know. I thought that was good.
Okay. I'm so far away. I can't see. You're nearer to it.
I'm like standing beside you, but we'll. It's so hard to tell though. Fiona's rifling the ball. That's a great serve. And
Sienna gone the wrong way. That was a lovely serve. Wonder if we see that again. Watch it coming up. Sienna went the other way and she recovered well, but just spun into the left-hand side. Serving. I think the serving is going to win this match today, Chris. Whoever's getting the serve in.
Yeah, they've both gone spells where they've had incredible service and almost unreturnable stuff. See Sienna there talking to Frida. I'm sure that there'd be Sienna trying to keep herself very calm. She has been here and done it before on the biggest stage. I see the All-Ireland champion of 2022 come in, who will be on this court very shortly. Jim Nash having a quick look at what's going on in the ladies' match.
Paul Fitzpatrick just pointed out earlier, Chris, about the senior,
10 seconds.
No senior winner. Do you want to explain that one?
Yeah, so this might be the first year where neither senior champion in the men's or the ladies has played a match in the next year. So 2025's winners didn't play 2026. Paul Brady obviously didn't enter the championship, and Martina withdrew from the first round. So yeah, this might be. Yeah, it's an unusual one, and we don't actually have a defending champion in the draw this year.
12.
So, but Fiona looking to drive this on. Fiona appeals that serve.
Out agree. Sharp ball. Second serve.
Okay, let's see what the second serve is like. She's going to go for it, Sienna. No, she goes down the middle.
Fiona does well to dig that out because that ball came fast at her. She goes to the corner. That's a great shot.
That angle again. It's great. That corner kill. Even if you're on the ball, it's hard to dig out that angle.
Fiona's in a really strong position here at 15-12.
Yeah.
Just opened up a 3-point lead and does well to pick that.
Out. I was going to say you gave her the commentator's curse.
12.
Sienna's not going to go away easy anyway, that's for sure.
12 serving 15.
Just say the last couple of minutes, Fiona's serve is still picking up the odd ace, whereas Sienna hasn't been picking up any easy aces.
Oh, especially not like that. You have to be careful, Sienna. Yeah, as I said earlier, I think the serve is going to win this. It's going to go down to the good serve. That's a bit
Big
heavy, a bit high.
opportunity.
Oh, it's not like Fiona to miss with the kit dog from that range.
Not when it's up like that.
Mark,
She had time on that one. So
15.
I need a quick point for Sienna.
Short ball.
She's got back to not getting the first serve in.
Second serve.
15-13. It's not a big gap yet.
Far from it. So Fiona goes for
it's
the
a
kill.
lovely
That's a great
second.
shot.
She made up for the mistake the first time when she had a hander.
15 serving,
shot.
13.
Leaning back, that must have been from 39 feet. She was right beside the back wall when she struck that ball.
Set up here.
Good shot. So
That's a mark.
that's
Ball was gone, Sienna. The ball was gone, Sienna.
so Sienna
It's a
arguing
mark.
with Frank again.
16.
Yeah, I think that one was gone. More of an argument on the first one that she argued with Frank, but that she probably wasn't going to change Frank's mind anyway. Opportunity for Fiona out the back corner. Sienna drives it down the left. Fiona flicks around the corner there. And that's another handout from Sienna.
17.
So
Sienna wants to reset now because she's in
Short
big
ball,
trouble
watch
here.
The front line, Fiona. There's a foot fault as well. Second serve.
So we're going to second serve. Fiona with a 4-point lead. First time we've had more than 3 points.
Big chance here in the right corner.
Match. Sienna drives it down the right. That's a good shot
No,
from
she's
Sienna.
driving herself on. She's psyched up.
13, 17.
Oh, let's see, can she get that first serve in? She's a dangerous first serve if she gets it in.
So
She going down the left?
She does, but that's out of the back wall.
Now a chance here, Chris. No, she goes round the walls.
That's a
So
great
Fiona
shot.
took the chance. That's a great shot.
Yeah,
That's
I
a
think
lovely textbook shot. Watch, she follows it around, doesn't take her eye off the ball, and
17,
strides into it.
13.
so. Fiona drives it, kind of leaves it up off the side wall quite high.
Oh, she's taking it. She's taking her chances
great
here
shot.
now. A big opportunity to take the first game. But
Yeah,
that's gonna be lady.
Sienna
Time
didn't
over,
do enough
Sienna.
with that serve, if I was perfectly honest. That
What's your
ball
last
came
time
right
out?
up, maybe a couple of feet high on the right hand side wall,
Come
almost
back
at the short
18,
line.
13.
And she left it right in the middle of the court for Fiona to have a chance at.
And Fiona took it.
Absolutely did. This is a really good start, couple of minutes for Fiona. Sienna again a little bit frustrated at times as well, but she'll have an opportunity to try and calm things down. If you're Sienna and you're 5 points down, trying to stem the flow, if anything, Ollie, what are you going to do at this stage?
Well, I talked to her. I tell Fiona, I'm coming back. You know, I'm coming back.
You'd be
into
talking.
I would be
You'd be
talking.
started sledging.
I would be talking. No, but it's
You're going old school
yeah.
altogether.
I think the last few aces are the hardest to get to. You know, just because Fiona's at 18, that doesn't mean she's going to get to 21. And when you have a player of Sienna coming back at you, chasing you, the pressure's on now. Especially after that timeout, Fiona will be thinking, "I need to finish this. I need to finish this."
Yeah.
And David Walsh will be telling her, "You need to finish this. You need to finish this." So we'll see. Will she finish it?
Okay, the score is 18, serving 13.
Anyway, we're back at it. Fiona's in to serve.
I like Fiona's tactics there. She done a Z toss on the first serve,
Yeah.
trying to throw Sienna off guard.
Sienna with a big shot.
Oh, good big timeout.
Side away,
Needed that.
As the timeout worked, just to
serving
reset.
18.
Sienna needs to get that serve going again. As he said, the serves are the difference here in this latter part of the game. Fiona
No, big
does well to
setup.
dig that out.
Oh,
That's a big miss for
yeah,
Sienna.
she got the setup.
18, serving 13.
Yeah, it's something that you don't see too often from Sienna. It's dumping into the floor like that. It's drove in. Good serve from Fiona. She flies the ball. That's coming around the walls.
Oh,
That's a big miss again from Sienna. As I said, so pressure firmly on Sienna Lee Green here.
13.
And what's Fiona going to do? Is she going down the left or the right?
Fiona just 2 points away from this first game, and that's a
dummy
great serve.
I didn't know what she was doing, left or right. That's a big serve from the Roscommon girl. That's the best shot of the match so far.
Best serve of the match. And now she's going for the first game. Gets that one
She
short.
was unlucky not to get that over the line.
Fiona been exceptional in the second half of this first game. At one stage it was 12-13, 13-13, 14-13, and then Fiona's just taken complete control of this. Opportunity for Fiona. Sienna digs it out. Fiona does well to keep it alive there as well. That's coming up off the back wall. Opportunity for Sienna. She puts it away.
It was a gutsy shot.
Yeah,
I know it was set up, but it still took guts to go for it.
Side away.
So
13
Sienna
serving 20.
13-20. Bit of a mountain to climb here to stop Fiona win this first game. That's a big serve.
No,
Fiona
she needs to
does well.
take this setup. Not taking it.
Oh, great. That's a really, really... Like Fiona was flying in there.
Again, Sienna had her chance, but
Yeah.
I suppose pressure. It's hard to take the bun when you're under pressure.
Serving 13.
So, game ball, second game ball for Fiona Tully. She drives it down the right, just comes up short.
Ball.
She went for the dummy.
Second serve.
Goes to her second serve, Z toss. Goes overhand to two walls. Oh, that's... Two girls come close together down the left.
Yeah, Frank seems to be letting them away with it.
Opportunity for Sienna. She goes back up to the ceiling. This
Chance
is
for
going to
Fiona.
drop. Fiona drives it down the left. Opportunity for Fiona. Does she go for it? She snatches at it. That's a big miss.
She knows it too.
Side away.
She let Sienna's relieved to be off the
14
hook.
Serving 20.
She's very lucky to get away with that now, because that was a huge opportunity.
No, it's Fiona.
Just a little bit of a chink there in the armour. Maybe Sienna can do something with that. That's up off the back wall. Sienna does well. Drags it around. Fiona does
Big
well to
rally,
pick
big
that one
chance
out.
here, Chris. Is she going to take it? No.
Oh wow, that's way up off the back wall. And Fiona
Now the nerves are
snatches
starting
that.
to come in from both girls. The pressure's on now. Fiona knows she has to finish it.
14 serving
She has
20.
enough of a buffer to relax on that.
She has, but she's not. That's two handers now in the last two rallies.
So Sienna with an opportunity.
Big setup here for Sienna to make 15. Great pass shot.
That's
Great
really
pick.
well picked.
Very good pick from the Roscommon lady.
Fiona.
Now another
Tries
chance
it.
for Sienna in the right corner. Oh, she goes to left this time. Fiona thought it was going the right corner. I thought it was going the right corner. Look at this. It was set up and she's that's a great shot. She changed her mind the last second. Down the left.
Come back at 15.
So Fiona.
And Sienna, I think, is back in this game, Chris.
Yeah, Fiona takes the time out. She's had two opportunities to take this first game, and she just snatched out at the wrong moment. She needs to just calm down a bit to get this through. She still has quite a buffer.
Oh, yeah.
Like,
But Sienna's
5
serving.
points to 0.
One more serve and two more, so she's back. 17, yeah.
Sienna will still believe she can win this first game, no doubt about it. But we have to... Fiona is still in the driving seat. She just needs to win 2 rallies back to back.
Yeah.
So, but
she's playing against a world champion.
Yeah, it's
just
not that
it's
easy.
easy to say get 2 rallies, but Sienna's in the world.
She has
the
to
world
make it
champion
simple
for
for
nothing.
herself.
Yeah.
Okay, 10 seconds.
Sienna looks very focused, Chris.
So
The Galway crowd getting behind Sienna now, shouting, "Come on!"
So Fiona
Okay, it's 15
Fiona
serving 20.
Tully from the St. Coleman's Club, just a point away from this first game. Sienna has the ball in hand, and the serve, most importantly.
Oh, it's a great serve. That's a brilliant serve. Went into
yeah.
Fiona's body. I wasn't expecting it. Fiona wasn't expecting it. Was there a bit of luck involved there?
Pure luck.
Yeah.
I think she just
Serving
overhit
20.
the serve and it kicked off the sidewall. No one was expecting it. That was
Oh,
way
lucky.
short.
That was great. It was a good dummy serve, but it was short.
Yeah, it was a couple inches short. So Sienna now only 5 points away from winning this first game herself.
The second serve is very important, Chris.
Fiona is wilting a little bit here. It's well dug out. Gone around the house. Sienna flicks it around.
Awkward
This is
ball. Now, big setup here for Sienna. Is she going to take it? No. Another setup.
opportunity for Fiona. Sienna digs it out. Goes around the walls from Fiona. This is a dirty ball.
It's a big rally.
This one. Oh, Fiona lays it off the back wall. And at 17-20.
17
Could
serving
Sienna
20.
Sienna the last 4 points in a row here.
That's where the mental strength comes in.
Puts it into the
Yeah.
floor. Oh my God. That's the
saying.
third time that we've seen this.
I was just saying it's
What?
about mental.
That's
mental
crazy,
strength.
Ollie.
Yeah. I don't know, it's just concentration. Now from here on in, Fiona just needs to...
The most important thing is to get her serving
Side
at this
away,
point of the match.
20,
She's on a
play
roll.
ball,
She's
serving
17-20 up,
17.
and she puts it into the floor. It's criminal, to
It's
be honest, Ollie.
Is it pressure or is it... What do you think?
I don't know. Well, is it more pressure than the ones she put into the floor earlier on in the
Yeah.
game? This is unbelievable. Fiona with a free hit here. She's going for it down the left.
Big chance here, Chris.
Fiona with an opportunity.
No.
She goes up to the ceiling.
She's
This
bent
is a
now.
big opportunity for Fiona. She drives it. This is... Doesn't take that one on the fly either. But
Now, is Sienna going to take the bun, Chris? No. Both-
Fiona drives it down the left. Sienna digs it out. Oh, and Fiona puts it into the floor. This is massive, massive pressure. Fiona was there. She had two massive opportunities. Sienna had given her the serve. This is crazy, Ollie. Sienna
Big serve.
close to the short line on the serve, but she gets away with it. The referee doesn't call it.
Big setup for Fiona. Great rally, Chris. Big rally here. Now, is Sienna going to go for it? No, she goes round the wall up.
Fiona
Both
staying
players.
in there at the moment.
Really tough rally, Chris.
Goes to the ceiling. Sienna back in the back left. That's going to drop up off the back wall. Fiona
great
absolutely
kill.
flattens it.
Great
What a
kill.
shot!
And she's back into serve for the game. First game. We're getting our money's worth here.
Look at this.
Side
Then
away.
just so Fiona Tully with her third game ball.
20 serving 17.
To take this first game. This has been swinging back and forth, Ollie.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, she goes for... Oh, wow.
On the line.
That looked good from here. But it was very, very close.
Second serve.
So
20
Fiona
17.
on second serve. That's up.
Awkward ball.
Fiona not shooting the ball off the back wall at the moment. This is an opportunity for Sienna. She digs it out. Does well
Big
to
rally
get that
here.
one.
Big rally. You can't hear a pin drop in the audience, Chris.
Sienna goes to the ceiling.
That's a great left-handed shot at the ceiling.
Fiona does the same.
Awkward ball. This is it,
Oh,
Chris.
that's it. And that's the first game. What a game, Ollie.
Great game.
Both
Great
players showing signs of frailty and worry at times. But Fiona just about gets the job done. It's
Yeah.
21-17. What a game.
I think we need a 2-minute break here to get our breath back here, Chris. It's a cracker.
We'll be back in 2 minutes with game 2. So we're back for game 2.
How's she go?
Fiona Tully takes the first one, 21-17. Interesting back and forth. Again, the nerves of an All-Ireland final can make some rallies look a little bit messy, Ollie. But both players went through exceptional stuff as well.
Oh yeah, really the mental side of it really kicked in there. Both players, Fiona missing, not taking the opportunities, and finally she gets the opportunity.
Some of the hand errors were colossal for both players now. Like Sienna's serves into the floor. That's 3 serves that she just gave away. And that's the difference to the first game and being at 20-all or maybe 21-20 herself. So
yeah, I did say it's up to serving, and I think it's going to be the second game as well. The serving is going to win this. You know, whoever's going to get this good serve in. Both players have potentially lightning serves, but can they get them in?
Sorry. Yeah, and then Fiona, when she was at the finish line, really stuttered over it, but she won't care. That she had opportunities to win that match a bit of a canter. She won't care right now, though. Okay. We're at 0-0 for game 2.
Okay, a bit of quiet.
Shout out.
Second game, Sienna to serve, 0-0.
Shout out Martin Mulcairns, who sent me a message. He goes, he said, have 2 Connacht girls ever played the senior final against each other? That might be for Paul Fitzpatrick to answer. I can't think of a senior 4 World Championship final with 2 Connacht girls in it.
I'm not sure now.
Shout out to Martin. I'm sure he'll be at the Race for Age Tour event in LA next weekend.
Set up here for Fiona with the kit though. She
Big
doesn't
shot,
miss. She
big
likes
shot.
that range.
Yeah.
She likes that range.
She's very good at the lines, isn't she?
1-0.
Oh yes, especially with that left hand. She'll murder that ball.
Fiona drives it down the right. Oh, she was so close to picking that as well.
Side away.
Good
Big
shot from Sienna though.
Big shout out to Techno.
0-1.
He's watching it there. He's in the. Yourself and Chris Gavigan are great men.
Good man, Techno. One of the best. It's Fiona.
Check the ball.
Sure, Techno would be delighted that Fiona won the first game as well.
0-1.
So Sienna looking to get her serve going again. That was a big opportunity off the back wall. Goes to pass it this time.
Together at 1.
It's together at 1, Frank says.
Of course, after this final, we'll have the O'Neills.com All-Ireland Senior Men's Final between Jimon Nash and Robbie McCarthy. Sienna drives down, that's up off the back wall. Sienna goes and runs it down. This is an opportunity as well. But Fiona
just missed the ceiling. It looked like a hinder off the ceiling, but it wasn't.
2 serving 1.
Yeah, sometimes you see them, they just drop straight down.
Yeah.
They're kind of. That's a good shot.
Bit of luck involved.
Bit
there.
of luck.
Sienna was on it.
1 serving 2.
That's the type of luck, though, you need in an All-Ireland Senior Final, Ollie.
Oh yeah, it's the time to pull it out.
So Sienna drops that one into the right-hand side. Leaves it up off the front wall, though.
Great picks. Good pass with the kid dog. Fiona's there. Around the world. No, set up for Fiona. No, she's going round again.
Okay,
both
plays.
girls,
Yeah,
Play the
both
ball
plays.
again.
Yeah, Frank called that one. That was a good call.
Yeah, he's a little slow to call, if anything, but letting the play
Still
develop is the
serving two.
right way to go. Both players looking for blocks there. So Fiona drives it off the left-hand side wall. Goes up to the ceiling. As Sienna, that just ran out of petrol, as Ollie Cassidy would say.
Yeah,
Together at 2.
a hand error there from Sienna. And we've a tight game again here, Chris. Together
Would you
at
say,
2.
if you were American, would you say you ran out of gas?
I suppose, yeah. Ran out of juice.
Second serve.
So Fiona That one's flicked up off the back wall.
Oh,
Absolutely
lovely shot.
flattens it.
Wait for it to drop. Fiona really playing out of her skin here.
What a shot.
Mark, 3.
Textbook shot.
3 serving 2.
Fiona probably spent more time in here than most of the senior women in this court in preparation, being that she's teaching up in Dublin.
Side away.
Them teachers have it soft, Chris. They have it easy.
But you don't have to tell me
2
that, mate.
serving 3.
Sitting down all day, Chris.
That looked short. That looked like it hit the line. So you could see an appeal by either of these that lose the rally. Sienna flicks that up to the ceiling. So that's an appeal from Fiona.
Yeah, you
thought
called
the
it
serve
right,
was
Chris.
good.
Yeah, it looked like it hit
was
well
good.
short.
It's good. All 3 say good. Together at 3.
I missed it. Did you think it was good?
I actually thought it hit the line.
Right.
So Fiona loses one of her appeals. Sienna
Set up
flicks
with the
on
kit
back.
dog.
That's into the floor as well.
Mark, 4.
Looked good. Definitely bounced up high. So
4 serving 3.
again, back and forth, the same as the way the first game went, Holly.
Yeah. And then Fiona just went ahead. Right, oh no, left.
This is going to be a big opportunity. Can Fiona? Yes, Fiona off that opportunity at the line.
3 serving
At the line, I
4.
was just about to say, at the line she's dangerous with that kit dog. Off the back wall, I don't know. On the lines, oh, it's a good
Yeah,
serve.
if the ball's up high off the back wall, she hasn't really missed one, to be honest, Ollie. Sienna flicks that up into the ceiling.
Chance.
Oh, that's a great shot.
Takes it, lovely.
Standard this final has been exceptional.
Oh, unbelievable.
Side
Unbelievable.
away.
And the crowd really coming in here, Chris. It's a big crowd here at
4
this ladies'
serving
final.
3.
Oh, that's a
It's a
bad serve.
Yeah,
Fiona
like that.
took full advantage.
She did, yeah. She left it up a bit high enough. She just got enough power on it
3
to
serving
put Sienna
4.
in an awkward position. But that was a poor serve from Sienna. As
Short
Fiona
ball.
hits that one short. So we can hear the seagulls here yelping. In Crow Park.
Yeah, there seems to be a lot of them in Crow Park, is there?
Yes, yeah.
Side away. 4
Must be
serving
here to watch
3.
the football later. So Sienna
ball.
drives one
Sienna's
short.
still not getting that first serve in.
Yeah. She has the lead at the moment. Drives that one. Sienna. Oh, that's well ran down by Fiona.
Oh, great,
That's a really good pass.
Great pick and great pass shot.
Side away. 3 serving 4.
So shout out to Pat Madden and Toomgraney. He is the Tulla divisional team won the county championship there.
Congrats to Tulla. Oh, that's a bad miss
Sienna
from Sienna.
going for the
A little dump shot.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's
bit too casual.
Together at 4.
you just have a feeling that Sienna has another level here, that she can go up. That she's just a little bit unsure with some of the misses that she's been hitting over the course of the last game and a bit. Fiona drives that down the left. Off the back wall. Gets a bit of luck the way that checked up off the sidewall, Ollie.
Yeah, it was just the awkward height for Sienna. She snatched at it, small bit.
Mark. 5 serving 4.
Oh, great
Oh,
serve.
that's a great serve. Brilliant serve from
Very good.
Fiona.
Time out from Sienna now. She
Yeah.
doesn't want Fiona to go too far ahead now with this.
Time out for
Def-
Sienna.
Definitely
First
doesn't
time
want
out.
to see her build up some momentum like
That's
that.
a brilliant serve.
Yeah.
We just saw it again there. It's
Rifled it.
unbelievable serving. I think serving, I have to say it again, serving is going to win this match because I think whichever girl, they've both amazing serves. You have to get, but it's about getting them in the first chance. Great atmosphere here too with the crowd.
Brilliant.
Really coming in.
Yeah, brilliant now. See the crowd. As I said, this game could go either way. Gotta say, Fiona has been excellent in periods. Again, it's her second appearance in an All-Ireland Senior final. Aiming to be the first Roscommon woman to win the 4-world singles. Sienna aiming to win back the title that she last won in 2023, looking to take her second All-Ireland Senior 4-World Championship. So a lot on the line, Ollie.
Oh yeah, a lot on the line, and both girls are really up for it, you can tell. They really want this prestigious.
Oh, you got
it's a
big
big
words
word.
yourself.
It's a big word, like marmalade for me.
You've been reading the dictionary this week, have you?
I looked it up.
Good man.
I know what it means as well.
Well, you are a teacher. Sienna flicks that to the ceiling.
Oh, set up here now. Is she going to take the bun? Fiona's
that's
there.
really good from Fiona. Sienna does well to pick that as well. Opportunity. Fiona puts the power down. That's really good. Sienna had an opportunity to put that away, but she left it up an inch.
7 serving 4.
Fiona got it.
Play the ball again.
It's a replay, yeah. Again, not much
I like
Fiona could do.
I like what Fiona's doing though. She's hitting a good serve,
Still
and then
7 serving 4.
she's murdering the return. She's not letting it bounce. She's trying to hold position in the front court. Big chance here now for Sienna. Great pass.
Oh, that's Fiona got her hand on it, but that's a really good pass from Sienna.
4 serving 7.
So Fiona flicks it down the left. That's
Great
a dirty
shot.
one.
Great
Yeah.
shot from Fiona. Tight to the wall, wasn't it?
The shots that you'd say are a little bit lucky, or
Side away.
bouncing the right way, they
7
all seem to be
serving
going
4.
Fiona's way at the moment,
Right.
Ollie. You know, the cracks that are kind of kicking left, or oh, that's
Big
a great serve as
big
well.
serve.
And she's matching it with brilliant serves.
Yeah. The serves are coming in.
8
Amazing.
serving 4.
Sienna's struggling here a little bit to keep with the pace of Fiona.
Another
That's
one.
a brilliant
That's a
one.
lovely serve. Really, really. The serves are going to win this.
9 serving 4.
So
Another
oh
one.
my God, that's
Oh
an
my God.
unbelievable one. That's unreal from
There
Fiona
should be a
Tully.
timeout. There could be a timeout coming here. That's unreal serving.
10 serving
Will she
4.
go for another one, Ollie?
I think she will.
She does. It comes up short though.
Short ball.
And she didn't want to appeal it. She was going to appeal it, but she didn't want to.
Thanks,
She
Fiona.
changed her mind, I think. Or
well,
was she saying it was short?
yeah, it was short. So Fiona goes to second serve.
That's a big second serve. Big chance here, Fiona. Right corner.
Drives it.
No.
Sienna does well to get
That's a
it.
great pass from Sienna.
Yeah, really good.
Now Sienna needs to do something. The world champion needs to do something quick.
Yeah,
Side away 4
She
serving
needs something.
10.
She needs something from her serve to put Fiona under a bit of pressure.
Going down the right now.
Oof.
I like the way she changed it up now. She went down the right.
Yeah, she's
5
looking for something
serving
that's going to
10.
work. So Sienna,
You can hear her
5 points
thinking.
down.
She's, oh,
Oh,
that's
that's
not good.
yeah.
She was lucky it hit the
But
back wall.
sometimes you can overthink it, Ollie. Just go back to what you're good at. She
5
had a
serving
brilliant
10.
serve down the left early on in the game. She's gone away from it now. She's not even trying to find that serve again.
Can I ask a stupid question, Chris?
You might get a stupid answer, Ollie. Which is likely from me. Well, that's really good. This is a really good rally, though.
Big rally.
You can
I'll
ask my
ask
question
it
in a second.
I'll ask you after.
Sienna drives it down there. Hits the crack, but Sienna stays in there. Opportunity for
it's unlucky.
Sienna makes a big hander off the back wall.
11-5 coming into Fiona.
Your question.
The question is,
10 serving 5.
say Fiona hits the ball, doesn't bounce, hits the back wall.
Okay.
It's a foul serve, isn't it?
Short ball on
If
the line.
Fiona hits the ball,
Doesn't bounce.
You query it?
yeah.
And hits the back wall.
So it hits the front wall, hits the
Second
back wall.
serve.
Yeah, it's a foul serve, isn't it?
10-5.
Yeah, it's a long,
Yeah.
long ball.
Sienna can't, if she wanted, couldn't hit it afterwards.
No, it's a long serve.
It's a long serve. Okay. That's 2 handers in a row now.
Wow.
Sienna done.
Sienna's struggling
yeah,
here
she
to
needs
get
to-
Kate stay in this.
The timeout wouldn't go astray now.
11-5.
She needs to get her head back in this game now.
So Fiona going back for that rifle
serve.
serve down the right. She drives it down the right again. Pops out of the corner. Opportunity for Fiona. She goes to pass the ball.
Play the
Never
ball
close.
There'll be a
again.
Can never
replay.
cover yet.
Yeah. So we're going to reserve it
11,
there.
serving
But Fiona in
5.
complete control here, Ollie.
Oh yeah, dominating the game so far. Oh,
Big serve. That's two.
Two
That's
off
a good
there. That's
call
good.
from
That's
Fiona.
good. That's
Yeah.
good play from Sienna.
Yes, yeah.
Good call. That's very good at a
12,
crucial part of the
serving
match.
5.
Fiona drives it down the right, and that's a hand error from Sienna. She has to take time out. She
Timeout.
does. She has to try and
Second
get back
timeout.
into this game. That's just
Going back at 13-5.
steadily slipping away from her, Ollie.
Yeah. It's hard to do anything with the way Fiona's playing. She's
The
playing
serving is
unbelievable.
exceptional.
Unbelievable. But then all of a sudden Fiona can stop. So is she going to stop like she did in this first game, or is she going to keep driving on?
She needs to drive on now.
She does need to drive on. She's eating the sweets and the jellies and sandwiches and everything
You,
to see.
you sound jealous.
I am jealous. I am, because I like food.
So nothing to tell us from your trip away with Emery.
I don't know what you're talking about, Chris. I'm not going to
Okay.
entertain
So
you.
I'm just people want to know.
Every time you see Anne-Marie, you ask her.
It's just, I don't ask her outright. I'm just saying, a day out wouldn't be the worst thing, would it?
I'm just too young. I'm too young. Too young.
Okay.
If I got
Let's see,
down in a
people-
bad knee, I'd ring you straight away to help me up.
Yeah. No, I don't know. I think we need a day out. mate.
You'd leave me down there.
I'd leave you down there for the crack. Okay, so Fiona
Okay,
Tully
girls.
in complete control here. Can the world champion make a comeback? She has loads of handball in her locker,
Okay,
and
the score is 13,
no doubt she would be.
serving
She thinks
5.
that there's more in this. But Fiona Tully is playing exceptional. Leaves that one up off the back wall though, and Sienna puts her away. That was a loose serve from Fiona.
She was going for the tight down
Side
the
away,
right wall again.
5-13.
Didn't quite make it. Now Sienna needs to get a few good serves in. It's an awkward ball dropping.
Sienna goes for a pass. Fiona puts it up onto the ceiling. Sienna flicks that one as well. Opportunity for Fiona. She goes to pass it down the right.
Awkward ball dropping
It's
for
a
Fiona.
dirty one, yeah. So opportunity off the back wall. Can Sienna put it away? She doesn't. She
That's a
goes to
good
pass
pass.
it. That's a good
great
shot.
pass. Now she's set up. No. Is
I
Fiona
didn't
looking for a
see
bad
any-
bounce?
Fiona, sorry, I didn't see anything.
So
6-13.
Sienna gets it. A quick point from that rally. It's
Short
a short.
ball.
She needs to be careful, Chris. She doesn't want to do another one
Yeah,
against the floor.
it's just- Opportunity for Fiona. She drives that into the floor. Again, a little bit loose from Fiona.
Yeah,
Mark,
Doesn't want to
7,
give easy points away.
like we said earlier,
7-13.
she can't be. She can't stop playing now. She needs to keep driving on.
Fiona flicks around the walls. And
Oh, what's
hand
that?
error from Sienna.
That's not like Sienna.
Side
That
away,
shows the pressure, though.
13,
Oh, yeah.
This is
7.
an All-Ireland Senior Final. There's high stakes. Fiona drives it
big
down
serve.
the left.
Big hop in that serve too.
Then takes it on the fly. Sienna digs it out of the corner. This is an
Chance.
opportunity for Fiona. She goes to the left. Then drives it down the right.
Big
It's gonna
chance here,
pop
Chris.
up.
Lovely
Oh, that's
play.
a great shot.
Fiona really putting pressure on Sienna. She's taking the ball off the fly, dominating the game from the central
Mark,
court.
14-7.
It's a big shot for Fiona.
Big serve coming, Chris.
Drives down the
Oh,
left.
is it
That
good?
that looks short from here.
Shane, I thought it was good. He thought it was good. All thought it was good.
Okay.
15-7.
At
Big
15-7, Fiona moving closer and closer. This is a big opportunity off the back wall. Fiona's going to drive it. Flicks it out back left. Sienna checks up off the sidewall.
Awkward ball. Now a chance for Sienna, corner.
Then Fiona just kind of goes the wrong way around it
Side
anyway.
away.
So
7-15.
No, Sienna needs to get a serve in or something to make this game a bit tighter.
yeah, she needs to find a serve. You see her trying to settle herself on this serve now. So Sienna goes underarm, drives it down the left. Fiona, oh, really good pass there from Fiona Tully. That goes around the walls.
No, a chance for Sienna. Is she going to touch it in?
That's
Oh.
yeah, just
Sometimes that ball, it looks easy, Chris, but
it
you've too
does.
much time,
The
haven't
only
you?
thing is that you'd say Sienna never looked comfortable going to strike that ball. She it was like she doubted
15-7.
herself. I don't know. She just didn't look like she was going to strike that ball nicely. And Fiona gets away with one. Fiona digs out the left-hand side, goes up to the ceiling. That's going to pop up off the left-hand side wall. Goes to the corner. There's another one. Fiona goes to dig it out. It was close. That could
it's
be.
a hand off, Fiona.
Fiona looks out to Frank.
7-15.
A little bit impeded, but the way Frank has been reffing it, it's one for one.
7 serving
She hasn't really
15.
got. Neither of them got an advantage so far, have they?
No, he likes to let the play go, Frank.
So
That's
Sienna,
good. That's better serving now from Sienna.
yeah.
Much better. She needs to get another few of them now to get back into this game.
8 serving 15.
So Sienna moving the needle, getting off 5 is important.
Short
It's that one
ball.
short, way short. Goes to the second serve as Fiona drives it off that right sidewall. And then
Play the ball again.
Oh, Frankie.
I don't know if that was
Frank.
Play
making
the
it.
ball again. The ball hit you just below your waist. Okay, I thought the ball was going to make it.
I don't think I was going to make in the front
I
wall.
don't think so either.
8-15.
To be perfectly honest. So a big call from Frank Daly. I'm not sure if he'd have the majority of the people in the crowd agreeing with that one, but it doesn't matter. Oh,
Short
that
ball
was a good
on the line.
late call as well. So
Disagree. Shane, disagree. Okay, so 2 serves. 8-15.
Good appeal.
yeah, good appeal again. Looked good from here. In fairness, Sienna digs it out the back right. Fiona drives it down the left-hand side wall. This is going to be awkward as well. Opportunity for Fiona, but she doesn't take it. Does well to dig that one out though. Sienna with an opportunity off her left hand, doesn't take it, but digs it around the corner. Will Fiona go for this? She snatches at it wildly. Again,
Mark.
both players having
9.
moments of madness in their alley.
Yeah,
Time
I
out for
suppose.
Fiona.
Now, if you're
Going
Sienna,
back
Chris,
at 9-15.
what would you be thinking? What would you have to do?
Yeah, like Sienna's only 6 points down at this moment, and to be honest, she's still well able to put 5 or 6 points together. Her game has just been a little bit erratic. Usually so steady, usually good at controlling from the middle, and she's not getting any of that. She's out on the periphery of the game a lot, and when Fiona's in at the lines, she's not missing anything. So if you're Sienna, you have to keep Fiona back.
Yeah.
And then when the opportunities come, you have to go for the corners. It's like she was exceptional in the She's Ace final in the tiebreak. Got a serve going and then controlled from the middle. She hasn't been able to do that. Now Fiona's been playing exceptionally well, but she has been hitting some hand errors. You know, so this game is still on a knife edge. Fiona could go and take the serve back and go all the way to 20 and suddenly be within a hair's breadth, or Sienna could win the next 5 points.
Okay, girls.
This is what's so intriguing about this game, Ollie.
Yeah, you can't call it. It's hard to call.
But right now, whose position would you want to be? A game up, 15-9 up. This
Yeah.
is
It's
perfect
Fiona's
for
to lose,
Fiona.
isn't it? It's
This
her
is-
game to lose.
This is Fiona's. But she has to go and take the game now away from Sienna. She
Yeah.
has to go
Score is
aggressive,
9,
get that serve
serving
going, get the
15.
kills in. Just the one thing she has to steady up on is the hand errors. Can't give points away. So Sienna Green drives down the right.
That's better serving now. At least it's going in. She's trying different
Fiona goes
tactics.
to the ceiling. This is an opportunity for the fly,
Oh,
and that's a
lovely
great
fly
shot.
kill. That's where the game is won and lost, Chris. At the lines, fly
But
killing. Look at that.
It's a poor shot from Sienna, because she knows that Fiona is so good in there at the lines on the fly. So to scoop it up, she kind of gave her an easy opportunity, an easy win. Fiona, big opportunity here. Sienna does well to dig that out. Drives it out the back, and that's a good shot. Fiona edging closer to the finish line, Ollie.
16, serving 9.
Yeah, the serves are big serve coming in now. Kind of a screen. I'd call that a screen, Chris.
Yeah, but it was right out the middle as well, so... Oh, this is a big opportunity for Fiona. She puts it around the corner. Sienna does well to get a hand on that. Then a hand error from Fiona again. It's just like... Some of the hand errors are crazy, Ollie.
9, serving 16.
I suppose it's pressure.
Yeah.
Now Sienna needs to get... I'm surprised she hasn't done her slow serve yet. She's a lovely slow serve into the left corner. That doesn't come out.
So
fly kill coming, no.
Yeah, it's just not... She's not striking the ball nicely at the moment, Ollie.
Awkward ball dropping. No, a chance here in the right corner, Sienna. That's more like it. That's what she can do. She can do it when she wants to, Chris.
Mark 10. 10, serving 16.
Now another one of these serves now.
So can Sienna drag herself back in? 6 points down, it's a big ask, but the world champion is more than capable of making that happen. So going to second serve, drives it 2 walls.
That's a good one. No, she needs to do something with this setup. No, it's not happening for her. No, another setup, Chris. The right corner.
Yeah, the right corner open. She elects to pass.
11, serving 16.
So
another ace or two and she's back in the game, Chris.
100%, Holly. Fiona.
Big setup here now. She needs to take this. And she does.
That's a good shot.
And a kind of a cover as well at the same time.
Yeah, the ball was gone though as well.
12, serving 16.
So now within 4 points. Sienna on a nice little run here from the last 3 points in a row. Opportunity. Fiona's gotten, just a crazy miss hit.
Yeah, Sienna missed the kill. The shot was on, but it was up. Fiona's so fast, you see. She's up, she's running. She's very fast.
14, 16.
So Sienna pulls herself back into the game. Still wouldn't say that she's playing vintage Sienna Nicrine handball.
No.
But
she's slowly creeping back into this game. And that shot there, she left it up for Fiona. It was coming off at an angle off the left corner. But Fiona's so fast running in, sometimes she forgets to stop running and she has a hand error and into the floor.
So kind of snatched that, as you see. Both players trying to calm themselves down. They're going in the home straight now. Fiona Tully still in a commanding position. A game up, 3 points up, 5 points away from her maiden senior singles title. So you can see David Chanter there in the background. Just needs a little bit of calm and some. If she can show up those hand errors, she will get opportunities, Ollie. But Sienna Nicrine is the world champion for a reason, and has shown in picking up the last 4 points unanswered. She's not going away easy at the moment.
So Sienna's serving.
Okay, the score is 13, serving 16.
This next serve is vital, Chris. It's very important.
You just have that feeling the next 1 or 2 points might be the winning of this match. So Fiona tries it.
No, she's not killing the ball right. Now, big setup here off the back wall.
Opportunity for Fiona. She drives it down the right. She goes left-handed down the left.
Oh, it's a great left-handed kill, and she fist pumps. She needed that one, Chris, to stay in the match.
Bit of a messy rally though, Ollie.
But a lovely finish from the kid dog. Look at that.
Serving 16.
14-16. And she fist pumps.
So Fiona puts it around the walls. This is going to come up nicely for Sienna, but she puts it up off the back wall. It's a dirty one as well to dig out of that right-hand corner.
That ball flying it.
Really
Awkward
is.
ball dropping into the glass. She
this
done
is
well
gonna
to get a
pop
hand
up.
to that. How does Sienna dig that one out of the glass? Big rally here now. Big chance for Fiona Tully. The kit hook.
Oh, what a shot from Fiona.
She doesn't miss, and she's
That is
fist bumping herself now, and the crowd is getting behind her.
That was a really, that almost went out of the court.
14.
And she flicked it into the corner, took all the pace off it. So Fiona
Good serve.
drives it. Oh, that's a brilliant serve. What a time to break out that serve, Ollie.
Yeah, she has it there in
Mark,
the toolbox when she needs it.
serving 14.
Now this one's going to go down the right, I'd say, one of these dummy ones. It's short.
Short ball. Second
So
serve.
Fiona goes to second serve.
17-14.
Oh, big serve. Big dig out. I don't know how she dug that one out.
Oh, that's
Maybe
going to be a
call
replay,
again.
yeah. She had an opportunity there, Ollie.
Two serves.
Went for
17-14.
left-handed, but left it up. Just was too close. It was replayed. So
Oh,
it's a
great
big
serve.
serve.
Great dig out. Oh,
Check the ball.
she done well to get a hand to that because
did
it
very
was a
much so.
big serve from Fiona.
17-14.
That's another big serve.
Oh, big serve,
Oh,
yeah.
how is she digging them out?
That's up off the back wall. Round the house.
No, she set up. She got no. it's
Play the
all right.
ball again.
Yeah, I think that's a
You
good call.
stepped and stepped back. 17-14.
But it puts the ball in hand.
You stepped right and then you stepped left. You blindsided her with the ball. 17-14.
Sienna finding it hard to calm herself down on some of these calls. Drives it down the right. What a
Jesus,
oh,
that's going to be an appeal.
I thought it was good.
that looked good
Jane,
from here. Hard
Rory.
to see on the replay.
Both said it was good.
Wow, big call.
It's 18.
So at 18-14, just 3 points away. That's a big serve as well. She hits a crack serve. That was good though.
Time out.
Timeout for Sienna at 19-14.
Wow. So Fiona breaks out the serve again.
The girl from the tribes under big pressure here now, the world champion.
They're two exceptional serves though, Ollie.
Well,
what time to break them out.
yeah.
Sienna having a hard time trying to calm herself down with one of the calls as well. So things not going all Sienna's way, but again, she's showing she could put 4 or 5 points together.
Yeah, this is where Fiona needs to keep going now in other games.
Oh, that's not your car, is it?
I think it's yours, Chris.
What is it?
He's looking up here to you.
The Ford Fiesta, was
Yeah,
it? I'm
Ford
not
Fiesta.
driving
You
a
love
Ford
the
Fiesta.
Fiestas. I think you took your brother's Fiesta this morning, did you?
So
Okay, girls.
The Roscommon crowd getting behind Fiona now, and
this is
the Galway crowd are getting behind Sienna.
so Fiona this is the position she's always dreamed of being in.
She's
19-14 up with the game up.
She's in a very good spot, but Fiona needs to keep going now. She's a tendency to stop
Score is 19.
when it gets close.
Serving 14.
So everything going to this serve now. 19-14 up. Fiona drives it down
Big
to left.
serve.
What a serve!
Big hop
Hits it.
serve into the left. Lovely. Can we see that again? Watch this. Lovely
Massive
hop
hook.
serve.
Oh, what a
Fio-
time.
And
20.
Sienna was
Game
on it
ball,
too.
Serving 14.
So this is match point.
This is
Fiona
for the-
Tully
This is for the marbles, Chris.
drives it down the
Another
left.
hop.
It goes into the corner. Sienna
Fly
does
kill
well.
coming. Oh,
And she
what
gets
a
it.
shot. What a shot
Fiona
from Fiona.
Tully.
What a fly kill. Can we see that shot again? A serve and kill.
What
Every
a shot!
handballer's dream. She serves and she kills, and a roll out, a mouse across the floor, and she's delighted. She's finally done what she set out to do. She's done it, Chris.
Unbelievable. Congratulations to Fiona Tully. Hard luck to Sienna Green. An exceptional match. Serving from Fiona today was absolutely out of this world. One of the best female displays of serving you'll ever see, Ollie.
Oh, very good, very good.
Absolutely exceptional.
We just ask everyone to stay in their seats for a couple of moments before we do the presentation, please.
So, congratulations to St. Coleman's, congratulations to Fiona Tully and everyone in Roscommon Town. I know Sienna would be very disappointed. She had her moments there today, but that was an exceptional game of handball, Ollie.
Ah, great serving, great match. Sienna will be very disappointed now, but it's hard to beat a Fiona Tully when she's playing like that.
Ah, what a game.
The form she brought to it, it was really, yeah. And all along the championship she was playing.
All the way through.
Yeah.
I thought she was exceptional from the start. I thought she was so good.
Put your hands together for the new senior singles champion, Fiona Tully. And a big round of applause for our very gallant runner-up, Sienna Nickreen. We're now calling Fiona and Sienna and our Uachtaráin Kevin Cook to come into the court to make the presentations, please. Just have your attention for a minute while we hear from Fiona Tully, the new senior singles champion. Fiona, how does that sound?
Great. I don't know if I thought it was ever going to happen, but yeah, no, look, I'm delighted. Finally getting over the line in a big final. If you told me last October that I would win two of the big tournaments this year, the Nationals and the All-Ireland, I really don't think I would have believed you. Like last October, it was so tough to get back into the court. I went in and played somebody and I couldn't even return the ball back to them. It was against one of the lads up here and I was like, oh, Jeannie, how is this game going to go? This year going to go? But thankfully with the help of people around me, thanks to everyone that helped me. There's a lot of people. I haven't done this by myself throughout the years. So, yeah.
You told me before, Fiona, in an interview last week that 4 or 5 years ago, some of the top players like Sienna were beating you even 21-0 in some games. And you kept going, you kept working. And you persisted with it, and you got closer and closer. And here you've got your reward of the All-Ireland Senior Singles Trophy. Tell us about that journey.
So I think I came up to senior when I was like 19, and obviously I was coming up. Aisling Riley was actually playing at the time, so it was like Aisling, Katrina, Martina. Sienna had been out for a bit because of her injury, and then she came back. And then anytime I played any of them, I was getting into a court. I wasn't really doing that much training, but because I had won stuff when I was younger, I kind of was like, oh, the jump up won't be too bad. But oh God, it was a lot. I got a lot of 21-0s off the maul. Like I think I played a game up in the Golden Gloves before, and I think the 2 games lasted like 11 minutes. It was bad now. And then even I think only last year against Sienna in the Nationals in Clare, when I was in Clare, she beat me to like single figures. So it was just kind of focusing on myself. I think I went in more so not really enjoying my handball, and then this year I started to enjoy myself a bit more. I think that kind of paid off in the court, so yeah.
A word for your opponent as well, Sienna, the world champion. She was coming in.
Definitely not. We have we played each other I think 3 times. This is their 4th time this year, and she's beaten me in 2 tiebreakers. I think I won the first game, so in both games then it was like 11-all in the 2 second games, and then Sienna took off and beat me in the tiebreaker. So I was like, I can't let it go to a tiebreaker today if I take the first game. So yeah, no, I'm pretty delighted with how I figured out the game today, and I'm happy with kind of how I played. Obviously it wasn't the greatest game, but yeah, I'm happy with it.
We'll give it up for the senior singles champion, Fiona Tully.
So we're going to be back in a couple of minutes with the men's senior singles. Don't go anywhere. Congratulations to Fiona Tully on her All-Ireland Senior Championship win. Absolutely exceptional. Commiserations to Sienna. I thought she was a little bit off it today, but I think she's a world champion for a reason. All the best to her in the doubles. We'll be back in a couple of minutes' time.
Our sport of handball, but in all sports in Ireland, I'm sure we'll all agree. Receiving serve is the 2022 All-Ireland Senior Singles Champion in the four-wall code, a three-time All-Ireland Senior Doubles winner, a US Nationals champion, representing the famous Toomgraney Club in County Clare. Give it up for the pride of the banner, Diarmuid Nash. And his opponent is a seven-time 40x20 senior singles champion, the undisputed modern-day king of the Big Alley. Put your hands together for the Mullingar maestro, Robbie McCarthy. And your match referee is Mr. Gavin Buggy.
Okay, we're back for the second match of this live stream, the Men's All-Ireland Senior Singles Championship, sponsored by O'Neills.com and brought to you by TG Carr Sport. Big thank you to our sponsors and our provider. Chris Gavgan here with Ollie Cassidy for this match. Congratulations again to Fiona Tully on her ladies singles championship win. But this is a match we've seen before, Ollie.
Oh yeah, but just speaking of Fiona there, Techno texted in, he said if Fiona was playing for Roscommon tomorrow, they'd beat Donegal. Yeah, she's a very good footballer too.
She's exceptional.
But
she was unbelievable there, and congratulations to her. But this is a game matchup we've seen numerous times before. Robbie does have the lifetime edge on this, and two kind of contrasting routes to the final. Robbie has kind of blown his opponents away, serving and shooting, playing really aggressive stuff. Diarmuid has had to come through a couple of tiebreakers, kind of been a little bit tougher of a route, but
two games of 21
he's looked exceptional. As Paul Fitzpatrick said last week, he's looked exceptional and he's looked rubbish at the same time.
Who's this now, Diarmuid or?
Diarmuid.
All right.
Whereas Robbie has just cruised through to the final, Ollie.
Rory Lynch, Jimmy Riley are doing the line there, lads. Jimmy on the left, Rory on the right. 0-0.
Diarmuid starting off with this overhand lob toss, bringing Robbie up to the roof. Robbie flicks it up to the roof effortlessly. Now it's a big setup already for Robbie, and he takes it.
And that's a fast start from Robbie.
It was just a mistake from Diarmuid, and Robbie punished him straight away.
0-0.
Diarmuid in
big serve. Oh, it's a great serve.
Diarmuid in a blue kit.
That's some sort of a lightning bullet down the right.
1-0.
This is some of the form that brought him into the semi-final. He was serving bullets in the semi-final too.
He sure was. So Diarmuid out of the back right corner, drives it down the left, just snatches at that.
Mark.
Diarmuid can't be doing that if he's going to live with Robbie. The form he's in.
Oh, it's a
great shot. He made up for the mistake earlier. Lovely
Right.
shot with the kit hook. It was a good serve too, Chris.
Yeah, gotta say, Diarmuid was on that very quickly. Robbie goes to flick that one to the ceiling.
Before I forget, a big shout out to the little tiger down there watching in Ballina. It's his birthday today, Jimmy Conroy. Big Robbie fan.
Oh, big shot. Big shot from Diarmuid.
Big Brady fan, and Sean as well, of course. Now,
1-2.
Diarmuid's going to the overhand toss again, Chris.
Yeah, great.
Look at Robbie, flicks it up with effortless up to the roof. He makes it look so easy.
Sure does. This is the game that Diarmuid wants, Ollie. He doesn't want Robbie going down low. That's a really good re-kill. That's a really good re-kill from Diarmuid. He was on that like lightning. Robbie.
2-2.
Again, this is real back at 4:30, isn't it, Ollie?
Oh yeah.
Diarmuid goes to that two-wall lob toss. Gets an opportunity off the back wall. Leaves it up off the back wall himself.
And out.
Almost gets a hand on it, but
Robbie takes the bun.
does, just about. Do you see this though? Oh, he was literally millimetres off picking that, Ollie. So Robbie, will he go back down this serve? He's found a serve down the right over the last couple of championship matches.
Yeah, he's both players fighting for the inside. Robbie got the better of him, took him out.
3 play 2.
So Robbie rifles one down the right.
Fly kill coming, or fly pass.
Jeremy
And out.
puts in an awkward position now in the back left hand corner. So
2 in, 3 out.
as our referee Gavin Buggy, who contested the Masters final earlier on today, just about coming up short to Brendan Fleming in an 11-8 tiebreaker. Oh, what a shot from Jamin Nash.
Lovely shot off the hip.
Yeah, really off
Mark
balance
Changes
there.
and done off the back foot. Lovely shot with the kit up.
So Jamin goes to that overhand 2-all serve again. Robbie leaving one up. Oh, what a shot from Jamin.
Yeah, he's taking the opportunities now.
That's what Jamin's famed for.
4-3.
Kind of stiff arm dead kill off his left hand. As Robbie flicks one up to the ceiling. This one's going to be the same, is it? No, Robbie.
Oh,
what a
dump.
shot from Robbie.
Took the control out of it.
He gets it on the way up here and
Good
just
shot.
dumps it. He flies it actually. What a shot.
3 in, 4 out.
Robbie
Short.
rifles one down the right.
Second
That's
serve.
short by an inch or two. This has started really, really interesting so far.
Some pace, isn't it? Big
yeah.
setup here for Robbie.
Jimmy does
Great.
well to get a hand on
unlucky.
it.
It was kind of the Tony Healy style dive and kill. Chapman was very good at that too. They dived at the last minute and they floated into the corner.
Yeah, that like obviously
It's together at 4.
just shows how fleet-footed Jeremy is, because that he got wrong-footed there altogether. But Robbie flicks that up into the ceiling and makes a hand error there though in the back court.
Not like Dermot now to miss that overhand.
Five play 4.
Robbie flicks it out the back and leaves it up, but
Great
Robbie
picking.
picks it.
That's unbelievable picking. What age is that man, Chris?
Play it again.
39, I think.
He's picking like a 16-year-old. Flying it.
Absolutely. Yeah, every time I've talked to Robbie the last couple of weeks, he's made quite a point about his age, but he's not much older than myself, and I don't feel that old.
Five play
Ollie,
4.
to be honest. It's
You're very young looking though for
I
your
don't
age.
know about that.
Mark.
That's a
Great
great serve. Brilliant serve.
Bouncing twice before it hits the back wall. They're serious serves.
And to be honest, the way Robbie's playing, and has been playing the last couple of weeks, he's been playing as aggressive, and he's been playing as well as I've ever seen him play, to be honest.
I would think
6
so.
play
He's
4.
He's playing some of the best handball I've ever seen him playing.
His serving has been absolutely
serve.
phenomenal. 3 weeks in a row he's been here now, and opportunity for Jimmer though. Checks into the sidewall. This will be an opportunity again.
Jimmer not taking the kill.
He
took it that time.
Yeah.
But he needs to take it first time if he wants to do
And
any
out.
good against Robbie. He needs to take the shot the first time.
4 in, 6 out.
At this level, you won't get a second chance at it.
So Jimmer's still serving right-handed. A natural Kithog goes to a right-handed lob. It's
Great, it's just awkward ball dropping. Big fly kill coming. No pass.
Robbie not taking those fly kill opportunities.
Jimmer putting the pressure on him now.
Big opportunity for Jimmer though. Goes to pass. Robbie does well to dig
Oh,
it out.
what a pick from Robbie. That's the best shot of the night so far.
That's unreal.
Unbelievable. Can we see that again? Follows the ball around the walls with the kit dog.
Good
Mouse.
rally, lads.
Unbelievable.
Flattener.
Good
And
rally,
out.
as Gavin Buggy says.
Absolutely brilliant from Robbie.
6 in, 4 out.
So Robbie with a 2-point advantage here.
Big
early in the
serve, big
first
kill.
inning.
No, he went for the pass.
Play it
That's a
again.
pass.
Oh, was he? I think
Leave
he's
it,
gone
Robbie.
past him.
Might have been, but like Jim was
There was
moving early,
contact going
so
across her, and he would have got it.
yeah.
I don't know what he. It was
6-4.
really passing tight to that side, left side wall.
I don't know. I would have given Jim the benefit of the doubt being able to get there, to be honest. But it's why refereeing is difficult.
Lovely panic
Shot.
kill.
It's a good shot.
The left hand too. Unbelievable control there. This is a cracker of a game, Chris.
Seven, 4.
Now is he going to give
Oh,
that
what a
one?
Yeah, again.
See, it was a carbon copy.
Yeah,
And now
Yeah, I don't think that was a fair call.
4 in, 7 out.
yeah, I don't know. That one is 50-50. The first one is 50-50 as well.
No,
so
I thought the first one was gone past him. I thought it was well past him. Oh, it's unlike Robbie to miss that now.
It's a
Mark,
four-hander by
5,
Robbie.
7.
But long way to go in this first game yet.
Yeah, 7-5. Awkward ball dropping. Well picked from the kid dog.
Robbie goes up to the ceiling. That
Chance
is a
here,
loose
Chris.
shot.
No, take it.
That's a good shot.
That's a
from
lovely
Jeremy
fly
there.
kill. That's what he has to do to stick with Robbie. He's take his chances.
Yeah,
lovely fly kill.
Robbie with some hand airs and some
Point.
loose shots here early in the first
6,
game.
7.
Lovely dump.
Jeremy finding something in that two-wall lob serve, Ollie. Just getting into the rallies that he wants to get, I think.
As you said, he wants to keep Robbie up there, maybe.
Yeah,
Keep
100%.
him
Oh, what a
and
shot.
take his chances. Yeah,
Yeah,
he's
That's
working
Jeremy's
his way
game.
in. Yeah. He's taking his chances with
Mark.
that kid dog.
Jeremy's working it.
It's together at 7.
And that serve is taking nothing out of him either, Chris.
That's it.
He's not wasting any juice.
That one's dropped awkwardly for Robbie. Jeremy
know.
tries to flick into the corner.
He was unlucky there. He went for it.
Just doesn't catch it neatly at all.
7 in, 7 out.
Jeremy drives it down the right. Robbie does well to pick that.
Play that again.
So
Play
yeah,
it again.
Oh,
I should have
It
called it
was
earlier.
tight.
I should have called it earlier. I should have called it earlier. It's a replay.
so Gavin calling a replay. Again, both players not happy that call came so
7
late.
plays to 7.
So it's 7-7.
Short, second serve. On the line, Robbie. It was short.
So things getting touchy here. The pressure on both players and definitely on the referee.
There's a lot at stake, I suppose. That's a lovely fly
That's
kill.
a good shot.
He's doing very good at them tonight, Chris, or today. Fly killing with the left hand.
And out.
Keeping Robbie back, not
7
giving him a
in,
chance
7
to,
out.
to set his stall.
So Jeremy goes to that overhand two-wall serve.
Awkward ball drop and he flicks it out.
Goes for the corner.
And out.
He got the first one. He got a harder one, the first one, but
Yeah.
7 in, 7 out.
big serve from Robbie, big setup.
This is a massive opportunity for Robbie.
Oh,
Flattens it.
murders that ball. Murders it.
Like, it's a loose
Mark.
shot from Jeremy. He's not happy. He wouldn't be happy with the way he just left it up off the back wall, but Robbie
8 plays 7.
absolutely destroyed that shot. Opportunity for Jeremy. Drives it down the right. Jeremy goes down the left. Robbie does well to get a hand on it. That one's flicked on the
That's
back.
great. That's great shooting from Jeremy.
Really, really smart handball.
Very good play from the man from the banner.
And out.
Jeremy looks
7
really
in, 8
controlled
out.
in there at the moment, Ollie.
Yeah, he seems to know every inch of this court. I suppose it is his home court, you could say. He lives up here.
As Jeremy flicks up to the ceiling. Same again. Goes down and
Oh, lovely
absolutely
one.
rolls it.
Great control. Let
Great
it come
corner
down off
kick.
the shoulder. Change from the underarm to the sidearm there for that one.
Together at 8.
It's together at 8, Gavin Buggy says.
Great shot. So, Jim Nash.
Again, going for that lob serve. He wants to keep Robbie up on the roof. That's the tactic. And Robbie giving him the setup.
A big opportunity for Jim. Yeah, he won't be happy with that.
And Robbie doesn't look happy. He's giving him Jim the setup there with that overhand. Jim found a clink.
8 in, 8 out.
So Robbie trying to
Big serve.
speed this pace up again.
Big setup here for Robbie.
Oh, what a finish.
Lovely shot. The kills in this game, Chris, is unbelievable.
Oh, unbelievable.
Look at that. Murders the ball.
Mark.
So Robbie
9-8.
takes the lead again. Opportunity off the back wall. He drives it down the left. What's he going to do with this? He does the same.
When Jim went for it, he missed it.
Yeah, Jim. So Robbie trying to get into that power serve, as trying to speed up the game a bit, Ollie, I think.
Serve.
It's a great serve, yeah.
Great return though.
This is a big opportunity for Jim though, down the left.
Good pass.
Yeah, it's a good shot.
Hand out. 8 in, 10 out.
Oh, it's unlike Robbie to miss that.
Right, yeah.
Mark.
So
9-10.
big mistake from the middle of the court with Robbie. As Jim would get again. Both getting opportunities here, Ollie.
That's a great shot. Perfect. Pinpoint. He's a sharp shooter, this Dermot Nash.
Mark. It's together at 10.
It goes for the kill, but there's insurance on it. It's tight to the sidewall.
Element to control, all right.
Yeah, it's tight to the sidewall. The kill is perfect.
So Jim would back up onto the ceiling. This
Chance
is
for
checked
Robbie.
up. This is up. Yeah, that's it. That's the only thing. If it is left in front of Robbie, he's putting it away at
10
his
in
ease.
to Robbie, 10 out to Dermot. Time. Dry the floor. Please. 10-10, lads. Coming back.
It's Paul Fitzpatrick. Paul Fitzpatrick likes that. He likes.
He does.
Yeah, we won't get him started.
Don't mention the
No.
war.
No.
Yeah, so yeah, we won't mention this slowing up of the game, but if the floor is wet, the floor is wet. Just have to.
As long as it's not too much of it, I don't mind, for safety. But if this,
Yeah, sometimes you just see the floor being wiped every second rally, and at the end of the day, the players do use it to their advantage.
yeah, I'm not sure if they should be allowed to leave the court.
I don't think they
In
should
the
be.
olden days, you had to ask permission to leave the court. The referee's permission.
You have to get permission to go to the court.
Okay, resume and play.
And you don't get it that often these days, do you?
No.
10-10.
So Robbie drives one. That's short.
Short, second serve.
Short by quite a bit, but Robbie didn't appeal, even though he gave Gavin a look. Jimmy digs out.
That's a good second
Well,
serve.
that's
Oh.
a good play as well. Yeah, not much
Replay.
Robbie could do there. It's just a replay.
10-10.
These guys are so fast. They're
Yeah,
very
so
conditioned.
fast.
Like
Yeah. Robbie flicks it up to the ceiling. Jeremy does the same, I'm sure. Technique from both players going to the ceiling is exceptional.
chance. No, Jeremy's in there with the.
Robbie,
Oh, very good, very good. Half a chance. Half a chance. He's nil.
just a strange shot choice from Jeremy. He goes down the right to paddle it, but like he leaves it way up.
Way up.
11-10.
He knows it himself. He's annoyed with himself there. Lovely fist to the ceiling.
Yeah.
Fly. No. Both players trying to get into the centre. Fly kill coming. Oh no, fly pass. Great.
Oh, what a pick.
That's great control from Robbie. He's going to look for it. He's going to look for a block
Look
there.
for a block, yeah.
No, he didn't. I'm surprised he didn't. He's going to wait for the call, is he?
I think
12-10.
this is the other thing. I think that mop could be just left at the door.
Or left at the short line?
You know, you're probably right, yeah. Actually, leave it in the court altogether.
I like the players are staying in the court. I think they should be staying in the court
No,
because
yeah,
it's
yeah.
not a timeout. Like. Although having said that, I'd be using every opportunity.
12-10.
I didn't want to mention
Yeah,
it.
oh no, I'd be.
The tricks are
Yep.
exceptional from you. You have tricks no one else has.
Mark.
So Robbie moves the needle
13-10.
at 13-10. That's a good shot from
And out.
Dermot. Again,
First time out, first game, Dermot. 10.
Yeah, I like the way he moved Robbie out to the middle there.
13 coming back.
Both players have
Dermot
amazing
serve.
control of this ball. It's unreal.
yeah, very much so.
So, but
So neck and neck early in this first game. Robbie with a 3-point advantage over Dermot Nash. Still waiting for, although they've been great moments so far in this game, still waiting for this game to kind of open up, Ollie.
yeah, but it's neck and neck so far. Robbie just 13-10 up. It's anyone's game. And we just got a text from
15
stateside.
seconds.
Bit of history. Fiona became the first Roscommon woman today to win this title, and only second ever Connacht woman, and second ever Roscommon player to win this title after Mickey Walsh in 1987.
13-10.
And they also said, I look great. Thanks, Alana. Big
10-13.
shout out to Alana Coghran.
That's right. So congrats to Fiona.
10 in, 13 out.
I'd love to know what Robbie said to Dermot there. just something like I'd say myself.
It's like something he'd say to you.
Yes.
10 play 13.
Right, this is interesting now. Dermot going to the... Staying with the overhand, but down the left, Chapman
Oh,
style.
what a shot.
And it worked.
Yeah.
Robbie
Left
shaking the head. Robbie knows he's annoyed with himself there with that one now.
Again,
11-13.
you talk about taking the bun, that's exactly what that was. So Dermot goes to the overhand toss again. This one
Set up
checks
again.
up. Drives it down the left this time. That's going to be picked. Good pass from Dermot, but Robbie has that. Well picked from both players.
Again, Dermot left it up. Dermot needs to take that shot if he's going for it.
Yeah,
He
or
can't leave it up like that.
he left it up straight. He probably could have gone from sidewall, front wall on that particular one. Make it a little bit more difficult for if he did leave
13
it up.
in, 11 out.
But Robbie's back in. He's trying to get that serve going down the right. That's a good pick from Dermot.
Oh, he left it go to the back wall, give more time for Robbie to get in. Now set up here with the kit dog, Chris. He takes it.
Good shot. Yeah, it's a really smart shot. He went sidewall, front wall, and put the ball as far away from Robbie as he could.
Yeah, he'd Robbie locked in the left-hand side, and he used the sidewall to
11
for the
in,
angle.
13 out.
Very smart play, very intelligent player, Dermot.
Dermot goes to that overhand lob again.
And Robbie he's not happy with that return.
it's-
Robbie needs to do something better with that return.
Very
Okay.
much so.
Mark.
Because
That's a couple of
12,
setups he's given
13.
away on it. So Dermot finding a new home for that. Does well to pick that.
Robbie taking control there. That's
And
lovely
out.
control there again. The serve dropped short and Robbie took advantage. There's a lot of risk involved with that serve
13
too.
in, 12 out.
So Robbie changing his approach and going for that
Oh,
left-hand
lovely.
side.
Don't kill with the overhand left.
So good.
Oh, it makes it look
So
so
good.
easy. Watch this again. Off the shoulder. It looked like he was going down the walls, but lovely dump shot. Overhand.
14 play
Exceptional
12.
hands. So Robbie flicks up to the ceiling.
Chance here. Goes for the pass. Robbie fairly running Dermot around the court now. Ah,
Shot.
well done.
Great shot.
He chased it down. And Robbie needs to do
And out.
like what his quote
12
said.
in, 14
Shoot or
out.
be shot. You know, he
Absolutely.
needs to go back to that because he's well able to shoot.
So Dermot going back to 2-wall, misses that one, but
It's
it's a little
interesting.
bit of luck involved as well. So up to the ceiling.
Chance here to get open. Big chance, corner kick. Yeah.
Oh, it's a great shot. Again, shaped up as if he was going to the right. You'll see here. Shapes up as he going to the
Mark.
right. Switches up at the last second. Doesn't
13
give Robbie a
play
chance at
14.
it.
14. So you can see the strategy here from Nash. It's
Yeah, look.
he's trying to put Robbie up to the roof and take his opportunity then when he gets set up.
Robbie with an opportunity himself here.
And
Jimmy
out.
does.
Hand out, Gavin Buggy says, so it's 2 bounces off the glass. Hard to see. He must have 20-20.
In fairness, Jeremy did signal to him
14 in.
Oh, did he? Put his
13
hand
out.
up, did he?
as well. They did, yeah. So Robbie drives that one down the right. Both players angling for opportunities.
That's a good shot. Jimmer knows he's annoyed with himself because he knows he had his chance with the kit talk with the underarm.
Mark.
And he just let it up. See, it stood up. And Robbie took advantage.
But
15 play
compared
13.
to the last 2 weeks, Robbie's not getting off these kills as quickly and as easily as he has. I know Jimmer's obviously former senior champion.
2 bounces. Okay.
So, you know, Jimmer is look, top ranked player. But
Second time out. First game. Dermot. 16.
But like Robbie's not getting off those early kill shot attempts
Play
that he was
13.
doing the last 2
Robbie
weeks.
serves this
Ollie.
time coming back.
I don't know. I think he is, Chris. He's putting
Well,
mouses down the floor with left and right.
He is, yeah, but
I don't know.
he was doing them first strike, whereas Jeremy's kind of dragging him into
Yeah, he's trying to put him up to the
valves,
roof. Yeah, he's trying to. You can see the tactic here. He's trying to keep Robbie off the bottom brick.
Absolutely. So, as you see,
Big shout out to Jimmy the Hen. He's watching here from Swinford.
he is. I'm sure he is.
Good player, a good man with the fly kill too.
You played doubles once with him, didn't you?
We did. We played doubles together. Jimmy the Hen. I don't know if he's still. I think he's still playing Kilchima with the boys. I'm not sure.
So, yeah. I think see Jim Nash talking to Jim
Time.
there as Robbie goes out talking to his father, Robert Senior. So Robbie with the 3-point advantage and the serve in this first game.
Well, big shout out to Natasha too. She's a great one for the chocolate. Give me 2
Okay.
bars of chocolate.
She's
Resume and play.
trying to tempt you.
I have a bone to pick with you.
16.
She gave you 2 bars last week as well. You
Did
never
Play
told me.
13.
You kept
You-
that quiet.
Where were you?
I wasn't here.
Why?
But you could have kept them for
Why?
me. I had to go. But
16
I
play
didn't
13.
realise you'd have kept that very quiet.
Yeah, well, you know, if you were here,
You know how I
you
feel
would have
about
had
chocolate.
too.
You know how I feel about
I
chocolate.
know, yeah, but if you were here, you would have got chocolate too. Oh, great shot for
left-handed
Robbie.
kill.
Big shot for Robbie.
Jimmer's annoyed with himself now. He knows he left the ball
Shot.
up.
17.
He can't leave Robbie at the lines like
Plays
that.
13.
He's dangerous at the lines.
So Robbie bouncing on his toes a
Short.
bit.
Oh, I don't
Second
know.
serve.
I don't know, Gavin. It looked good to me.
Hard one to call for.
One agrees, one
Yeah.
disagrees. Second serve, Robbie.
Yeah, there.
I thought that was a lovely crack
I
serve.
thought it was short now. Obviously, I called it, but I thought it was. 17,
Gavin
13,
explained
second
himself.
serve.
I suppose I shouldn't comment and wave back here. It's hard to see it. Lovely dump kill. Jimmer's there.
Oh, it's a great pick from Jimmer.
Great pick. Jimmer read that one well.
No.
And I need to go around the long way.
Robbie
Jimmer's
read.
so fast. He's in great shape,
But
isn't he?
Robbie was moving as soon as he saw Jimmer
13
flying past.
in, 17 out.
So he was almost there himself. So Jimmer back into serve. Was back to that 2-wall serve. Jimmer goes back to the ceiling again. Opportunity off the back with Jimmer. He goes to the right.
Great
That's a
spin
great
too.
shot.
Great insurance on that one too. The ball was
Absolutely.
up, but it just popped, sliced to the right. Lovely shot. Came over the top and
Point.
sliced it over
That's
to the
great,
right.
isn't it? It's a
Lovely.
14, 17.
great hook on the ball. So Jimmer flicks it up to the ceiling.
Chance
This
here
is
now.
a loose shot from Robbie. Jimmer puts it down the right. That's a good kill from
Yeah, it's
Jimmer.
not like Robbie to leave it up like that. No, he'd be annoyed with that
That's
shot.
two loose shots in a row from Robbie, but instead
Mark, 15, 17. Sorry.
Robbie flicks it to the ceiling.
Dermot happy to go up to that roof with Robbie. And he gets the setup.
That's a big shot from Dermot. Dermot,
Winding his way back into this game, Chris.
yeah, and there's only a
Mark,
point in it, and this has been a bit of a
16,
purple patch for
17.
Dermot. Last couple of minutes. Since a few loose shots from Robbie. Will Robbie put
Oh,
this
that's a
away?
great
That's a
shot,
great pick.
That's a great
shot.
shot from Robbie.
And out.
Spin, lovely spin on that. Look at that. I don't know how Dermot got his hand to it.
17 in, 16 out.
Robbie going for a big serve here.
Short.
Comes
Second
up way
serve.
short. So what does Robbie do with this second serve? Does he go to his Z toss? He does. Into the right corner. That's a dirty one
Big
as well.
setup here, Chris. Dermot ran across it by accident.
Oh, that just doesn't make it.
Try the floor. Hand out.
Instead, in fairness to Jimmer, he would have been stuck in the way of the ball, so he was nimble enough to get out of the way as well. Tough going in there, Ollie.
Oh,
This is
these are supreme athletes.
hard work.
Really
and
good athletes.
Supreme
More
players.
to the back there, Claire. Yeah.
Gavin instructing Claire where to wipe the floor.
Okay.
Now Robbie still has 3 timeouts to take. Jimmer has 1. And there's only a point between them, Ollie.
16 plus
It's anyone's
17.
game. It's hard to call it. Jimmer come back to this overhand lob to cross-court serve. Dropping for Robbie to put it up to the roof. I think Jimmer wants him to put it up to the roof so he can play the roof game. And takes the
Big
setup.
shot.
Yeah, Jimmer's
Big
good.
shot from Jimmer. That's a really important shot. This
Jimmer's trying to play in his terms.
Mark, and it's together at 17.
So that's 4 points without reply from Jimmer to bring this game back together. Robbie drives it.
Oh, good ball dropping, good pick from Dermot. Oh, and Robbie
Big,
went for the
big
dump.
miss. Big miss from Robbie.
Mark,
That's
18 plus
that sat
17.
up so nicely for him. Jimmer goes to 2 walls. This is a big opportunity for Robbie.
Pressure shot here.
Oh, he puts into the floor.
Yeah, there's
The
big
pressure's
pressure. You
down.
could feel it. The pressure was
Wow.
on there.
Mark,
He needed to get that one.
19, 17.
So this is 6 points without reply, Ollie. Jimmer's on a run. Robbie has to do something quick because this game, Jimmer's only 2 points away. So Robbie goes to the ceiling. This is checked up off the right side. Jimmer goes to pass it. That's a
lovely
great
dump
shot.
with the left hand. So relaxed, Look at this again, Chris.
Unbelievable.
Look at that dump with the
Under
left.
such pressure as well.
Great shot.
So,
It's like automatic for him.
so can Robbie
17
get off
in, 19
17?
out.
serves it down the right. Jimmer digs it out. Puts it around the walls. It's an opportunity for Robbie. Goes down the right again. It checks up nicely for Jimmer this time. But Jimmer goes back to the ceiling. This is an opportunity for Robbie. Does he put it away? He puts it around the corner. That's a great shot.
And Robbie's back into serve. Textbook shot there from Robbie. Let the ball drop really low and rolled it into the corner with the kick.
This game could go either way, Ollie.
Yeah, especially the way Robbie's serving now. It's a big chance.
This will come off the back wall. Jimmer does well to dig it out.
Huge opportunity here, Chris. Is he going to go for it? Oh, great shot off the side wall. Great control there from Robbie. Mark it, Gavin Buggy says. And it's together at 19. It's gone down to the wire, Chris.
Sure is. Jimmer digs it out of the right corner.
Robbie going to the roof, looking for the setup.
As Robbie goes back to the ceiling again. Both players waiting for an opportunity to come to shoot.
It's nice to see the roof game coming. Oh, big chance. Oh,
Jimmer's going to dig it out. Robbie gets it. Oh, what an opportunity for Robbie.
That's not like Robbie to miss that.
What an opportunity.
It's nice to see the roof play
Third
coming
time
back.
out, first game, Dermot.
Yeah, that was a huge chance for Robbie.
Watching the game in America, the roof has gone out because the ball is so lively and players don't want a chance of going up to the roof. But Robbie had his chance there to finish.
Massive
He'd be annoyed looking at the tape now, watching that.
Yeah, both players play. There's barely a hand error, but when they do come, Ollie, they're just so big. That was a massive opportunity for Robbie to go back in and serve for the first game.
Good crowd here too, Chris.
Very much so. Very much so. Yeah, so at 19 all with Diarmuid with the serve. Either player still only a handful of good rallies away from taking this first game.
10 seconds.
As Gavin calls both players back to the court. As Robbie makes his way back in.
19 in. 19 out.
That's an interesting exchange.
Yeah, nice psychology there. I like it.
19,
I like it.
Diarmuid doesn't move for Robbie to flick the ball into the corner. But Diarmuid Nash has the serve. We're at 19 all. He hits it 2 walls. Robbie goes to the ceiling. As both players exchange ceiling shots. Both waiting for an opportunity to come, no doubt.
Big chance here for Robbie.
This is the chance for Robbie. Diarmuid gets it, he flicks it in, that's unbelievable.
Oh, it's a big rally.
Oh, what a
Two big shots
rally.
there, 2 big shots. And Robbie does the fist bump to get back in. The Westmeath crowd are really coming behind Robbie now here. He wants a towel or that's a big rally there, Chris.
Both had chances.
Yeah.
Diarmuid did so well to pick that dive across. But the second one, Robbie didn't leave any opportunity.
Jumped on like a cat, didn't he?
Absolutely.
He swooped on it like a cat on a mouse.
Okay, time in.
So
19 in,
Robbie McCarthy
19 out.
back into serve. Rifles one
Big
down
serve,
the right.
Big serve. Fly kill coming. Fly pass here. Another flight. Robbie trying to dominate the centre of the court.
This is
here
a
with
big
the fly.
opportunity for Robbie though.
And he takes it.
Smokes it.
And he's serving for the first game.
Point.
Big serve coming here now.
20.
The audience is at the edge
Playing
of their seat.
19.
Gavin Buggy's at the edge of the stand. Big
Diarmuid
serve.
digs it out the right.
Chance for Robbie with the dump shot.
Oh, that's going to be a replay, I'd say.
Game up, Dermot.
Big call from Gavin.
Big call.
Into the back of him.
Oh, I don't know about that. That's a big
Right, you ran into
call
the
from
back of him,
Gavin.
Dermot. It's the first game.
Wow.
I just ran
Big
into the
call
back of
from
you.
Gavin. That's the first game over. 21-19. to Robbie McCarthy. Jim's not happy.
No, that's a game. Game up, first game.
Yeah, like he had a chance at that though. We're going to take a quick 2-minute break. This is thrilling
Yeah, I need
stuff.
to get my breath back. I was playing in there. I was like if I was playing myself.
We're almost too engrossed in that, Ollie.
Yeah.
So that's a 21-19 first game victory for Robbie McCarthy. We'll be back in 2 minutes. This is the O'Neills.com All-Ireland Senior Men's Championship Final. we're back for game 2 from our 5-minute, 2-minute break. Yeah, we were just discussing there, Ollie. This could go either way. Super close. Nothing between these two players.
Yeah, it's really tight first game. Was it 21-19? The first one there?
Yeah, so
down to the wire.
And a contentious call from our referee Gavin Buggy for the last point, but
Okay. Second game.
Robbie will have the serve for this second game.
Serve. Or Robbie to serve even. Turn on my mic here. Okay.
Again, two players that know each other very well. Have played in numerous All-Ireland senior finals against each other, but also train a bit together as well.
Big serve, big setup. Look at
big
that front
shot.
mouse. Oh, look at the Robbie will have confidence now after taking the first game. I think he'll be able to relax a bit. It's a nice cushion.
Mark.
And Dermot knows he'd have to play out of his skin now and play right to mix it with Robbie. Look at that
second serve.
No appeal from Robbie. I thought it looked good, but I'm way up here.
I would have thought. I thought that was short, if I was to be honest. But big miss from Dermot.
Can't be doing that. I suppose it was a setup he had to go for, but he has to get them to stay in this game.
Mark 2-0.
So 2-0.
Big
Dermot
serve. Surprised Robbie didn't fly that. That's a good
big
angle.
Shot, yeah, Robbie just didn't read that at all.
0 in, 2 out.
Maybe thought that Jim was going to fire down the left. He made that kind of movement. As Robbie flicks it up to the ceiling, Jim digs it out. That's up off the back wall though.
Ooh.
And that's a big oh, what a re-kill from Dermot. He read it so quickly. Look how quick he's moving. Does so well to get under that.
1 plays to 2.
So Dermot picks up quick point on service. Robbie flicks it out the back. This is off the back wall though. Oh, big miss from Robbie.
Big miss with the kit hook.
Yeah, that's
underhand. Whip.
And out 2 in, 1 out.
He does that sometimes with the underhand.
Yeah, it's a strange one because it's a big opportunity for him. Like, but Robbie puts it up on the ceiling. Jim with an opportunity off the back wall. Robbie reads it. And then Jim goes and re-kills it again.
Scrappy play now from both players.
Yeah.
Dermot left it up, Robbie didn't kill it, and Dermot took the chance.
1 in, 2 out.
Scrappy stuff here from two very good players. This is going to come off the back wall. Oh, awkward.
Oh, wow.
Awkward.
Robbie puts a hand on it any which way he could.
Dermot was lucky he didn't come up for a setup.
So Dermot puts down the left-hand corner. Robbie reads it. That's Dermot's re-killed
Great
it again.
re-kill. He's really done the Tony Healy stuff on it now. The dive and kill. If you have to dive, Chapman says you have to kill it. There's no point popping it up. And Dermot is.
If I have to dive, I have to take a week off. Dermot goes to the
ball
ceiling.
dropping to Robbie. Great pick. Fly kill or fly pass. Now big chance for Dermot.
Drives it down the walls. That's a good
how
pick.
did Robbie pick that?
Oh, what a shot. That's unbelievable handball from both players.
The strides, the movement.
3 play 2.
So Dermot going 2 walls with an overhand right hand serve. Opportunity off the back wall. That's kind of checked up.
Bounced awkward. He bad luck there now. He was unfortunate.
Yeah. That just didn't. It's funny how it looks like it's going to just sit up
And
as
out.
an easy set.
2 in,
Next
3
thing it's
out.
almost on top of the sidewall. Robbie not sitting into his serves at the moment. Oof, big opportunity.
He's letting him off the hook here.
He
Robbie
sure
set him
is.
up there. Again, he'll be
And it's
annoyed watching
together
the
at
tape.
3.
That's a really good serve from Robbie. Puts Dermot under pressure. This is a big backwall setup for Dermot though. Oh, Dermot's so quick to get in there. He'll get this one as well.
Chance
now
now for Robbie. Oh,
Robbie
it's not like Robbie.
stuffs it with his left.
It's not like him.
And now
Cormac Finn is
3
enjoying
in,
himself.
3 out.
Having no loosener for himself. So Diarmuid goes to 2 walls.
Oh, good ball. They make it so easy picking that out of there. Chance for Robbie now with the dump.
Play it again.
Play it again, Gavin Bucky says.
3 plays 3.
Oh, good ball dropping. That's
It's
an
a
awkward
dirty
ball.
one, all right,
It was
yeah.
pin perfect for Robbie though. Up to the roof and down into the left corner. And Diarmuid, that's a kit dog,
And
natural
out.
kit dog.
3 in, 3 out.
So it
A
has to,
pinpoint shot from Robbie.
yeah, it has to be.
Oh,
Oh,
what a
lovely
serve.
dummy serve. Fakes to the right and down the left. Lovely. Watch this again. Lovely
4-3.
shot. He makes it look so easy. This time down the
George.
right.
Oh, no way he's going to appeal that.
Diarmuid is appealing it. I call it short. You're disagreeing with me? Hand out. No, it's hand out. She killed it in the corner. It rolled out. No, because you wouldn't have got it anyway, so I called it wrong. No, he re-killed it.
So Robbie's arguing the point, but Gavin is right on this. It was a corner kill from Diarmuid Nash.
3-4.
So the serve was overturned. So the serve was seen as good by the line judges.
Hand out.
So it was going to be overturned. Diarmuid would be disappointed with that serve though, Ollie. That was a loose serve.
4
off the
in,
back.
3 out.
Diarmuid.
Great
What
toss.
a
Oh my
serve.
God. I think that call motivated Robbie a bit.
Absolutely,
He's
that's
a
two-
pep in his step
3.
now. That's some serve to pull out.
Oh, that's another big serve from Robbie. Diarmuid does well to get it. Kind of snatches that there off his left hand though.
Three, 5.
Diarmuid going over to.
Has he
Two will
done?
serve.
Has he done any underhand serves yet?
I don't think he's done one. And I don't think he wants to, Ollie.
See, Robbie's the type of player that can get used to this type of play. He's great adaptability. At the start of this match, Diarmuid was getting the setups, but Robbie's adjusted now, so I think Diarmuid needs to come up with a plan B.
Well, we'll soon find out what he does as Diarmuid digs that out.
That's a great shot.
That's a
great
great
pick
pick.
from Diarmuid. Big rally here,
Wow,
Chris.
what a shot.
Oh,
Who's
big
going to
dumps.
win this rally? Diarmuid digs it out.
Big rally.
Robbie
Oh,
goes
look
to
at
the
that
corner.
off the
What a
kick off,
serve.
off the shoulder.
Unbelievable
the
shot
control-
making.
The control this man has is unbelievable. Look at this, off the shoulder. It makes it look
And out.
easy.
Unbelievable.
Time out.
Time out. First time out.
What are the
second
ages
game.
here now? What's the age? What's Diarmuid, do you know? What age is he?
So Diarmuid, I think, is
5 played 3 coming back.
6,
Is Diarmuid 36? What's Robbie?
39.
Okay.
35, 36. He might be 35 still.
They're running around like greyhounds here.
They are, absolutely are.
Unbelievable. It's great. Some great, unbelievable rallies. Here
Yeah,
we got
so
the thing here now.
I think
34, okay.
He's actually 35, I think. I think that just needs to be updated. But yeah, favourite player Tony Healy, which you can tell by the way he plays the game.
Yeah,
is
his
very
style of
similar. Favourite tournament was the Irish 40x20 Nationals.
Toughest rival, Chris Gavigan.
Definitely not. Absolutely not. Maybe Ollie Cassidy, I don't know. Golden Gloves winner back last November, the 22 All-Ireland Senior Champion in the 4-wall and the 3-time All-Ireland Senior 4-wall doubles champion. And he's also 2 senior world titles as well. So, again, an exceptional...
He looks super shape. He looks in great shape, Diarmuid, I have to say.
Yeah.
He's not shin up watching movies and eating chocolate and popcorn and crisps. He's going to bed at 10 o'clock, Chris, and up then.
10 o'clock is late, Ollie.
Well,
Time.
9, so half 9. Would you give him? Jeez, would you let him watch the news, will you?
Yeah, I don't know.
Glen Rowe even, huh?
So, you think 10 o'clock is early?
Oh, it is only sure. They call our host live at 3.
That's true.
Now,
Now, Here we go.
Here we go, 5-3 up to
5
Robbie.
in, 3 out.
There's nothing in it, Chris.
Nothing.
Big serve. Big setup here now. Is it going to drop? Oh, it's dropping awkward.
Oh, Jimmy with a
needs to get
massive
them.
opportunity.
He wasn't far off. I think he closed the fish the last second.
6-3.
So Robbie trying to put the pressure on Jeremy and trying to speed up this game.
Second serve.
There he goes to second serve. Checks up off the sidewall.
Big setup here for Robbie.
Oh, Jeremy,
that's
another.
Dermot needs to keep the ball in the wall. I know what he's doing. He's trying to, when Robbie's back, dump it in the corner. But that's 2 in a row now.
7-3.
Yeah, there's 2 that split in. But they're 2
Big
free
serve.
points for
Jeez,
Robbie.
they're serious serves, Chris. Big setup here for Dermot. Robbie's on it.
Jeremy did well to read that as well.
Big
Puts it down
rally.
the right.
Jesus, lightning stuff here.
Oh,
That's
what a
great
rally.
play. That's great play.
exceptional.
That's great play now.
That is exceptional stuff. Robbie shaking his head because he thinks that Jim got a block in there, but I don't.
Oh, was he looking for 2 bounces?
3 in,
I
7
just
out.
sent for 2.
Maybe. He's looking for something anyway.
Dermot going to the roof. It's the strategy here against Robbie, but when Robbie's in this kind of form, I'd be changing something. I think he needs to change the serve. Robbie's adapting. He was giving him trouble at the start, but I don't know now. Robbie's
7 in, 3 out.
chance for Dermot, right corner. Robbie's there. It's going to be a screen, is it? Is Garvin going to? He's going to give the mark.
Point.
So Robbie making a real push here, putting the pressure firmly on
Play
James.
3.
Drives it down
Big
the right.
serve. Big setup here for Robbie. Big spin. And
it's good
Dermot
read
read
there.
the spin.
Sure did.
Robbie shaking that. He
And
knows
out.
he should have done better.
3
Really
in,
enjoying this
8 out.
match, Chris. Really impressed with this.
Yeah, it's just it's a tactical battle and it's a shootout at the same time. Both players fighting for position. Jeremy go. Oh, what a shot!
That's better with the serve now. It's a lot better.
What a shot though! Look at this. Out of the corner,
Mark.
flicks it into the bottom left and just rolls it out.
4-8.
So Jeremy going to an overhand lob toss.
Set up here for Robbie off the glass. Goes for it with confidence. That's some shot.
Yeah, Jim was a little bit frustrated that that second shot was
8
loose.
in, 4 out.
Robbie trying to drive this home.
Short. Second serve.
That one looked good to me now. So does he appeal?
Okay, he's appealing it. I call it short. Are you agreeing with me? And you're disagreeing with me? 2 serves coming, Robbie.
What's he? I don't know what.
2 serves coming.
Well, he's got the setup. He's got the ace, so maybe he's 2 serves now.
I don't know what we're like.
That's a good serve.
Yeah, like it wasn't a crack serve though. It was like.
But he had the setup after.
Yeah, but the
You know,
setup doesn't like.
The referee's undoing
The
the
referee,
serve.
well, the referee called the short, so it's at most a replay. So
Fly kill coming. Lovely shot.
Great
Lovely shot. Took the power out of the shot.
Point.
So Robbie using that frustration from the referee to drive him on
9-4.
as he goes 9-4 up.
Chance for Dermot. Into the body.
Oh, Jimmy just snatches it into the ground.
Time out for
First
Dermot.
time out. Second game.
10-4, yeah.
Dermot.
Good time to do a
10
timeout.
play 4 coming back. Robbie serve.
If you're Dermot, what you need to do, Chris?
if you're Dermot, you need to make some of those hand errors go away. But we've got Robbie here. Obviously, he's a member of the Defence Forces out of Mullingar. His best shot, as he says, is the paddle kill.
Favourite player, Chris Gavigan?
I doubt it. But yeah,
that's some record achievements, Chris, isn't it?
Oh yeah, like
serious.
12 senior softball titles. You know, he's one of the best of all times, a living legend.
Senior 4-wall singles 3. He's more than 3, isn't he?
I think so. Yeah, it's 6. So
6 or 7.
Yeah. So
time
again, an exceptional handballer. And
he was going to retire last year, but we're glad we didn't, because he's an amazing player to watch. The shots he has.
Right now, he is in complete control of this match. 10-4 up halfway through this second game.
It's not over yet, though. Dermot has a habit of pulling off tiebreakers, coming into pulling out a tiebreaker.
Now, but he needs to make some of those shots that he's skipping in. He has to make them count. As Dermot flicks up to the ceiling, Robbie leaves this one up off the back wall. Dermot goes around the corner, doesn't get it. And re-kills it. Again, as you said earlier, Dermot had 2 opportunities earlier in the rally to put that away.
10 out.
He has to make one of those count, Ollie.
Yeah, he's going back to this lob serve now to force Robbie up to the roof.
So, Dermot.
Chance for Robbie. Oh, lovely shot. Makes it look so easy. I don't know. I don't know if that serve is working. Robbie's copped onto that now. I think Dermot needs to change the plan.
I have to agree with you, Ollie.
Big hop serve.
Yeah, that looked like it hit the line from here.
Second serve.
Robbie. Oh.
No.
Dermot's so quick in there.
Yeah.
I could see Robbie going to his toss.
Yeah,
he took those extra step or 2 to fly the ball. Again, it almost happened before you even realised it. So, Dermot sticking with that 2-wall overhand serve. Goes up onto the thing down the left. Opportunity for Robbie, drives it.
Yeah, I think Dermot's plan is not working.
Yeah,
he needs to do something quick with that serve. It's a good serve, but
it's
not to a Robbie McCarthy calibre.
10-4 out.
Yeah, so Robbie leaves that one up off the back wall. Dermot just not finding
his
range at all.
Yeah. 11-4.
11-4. He has to find it quick, because Robbie can put this match away in
big setup.
Big time. Oh, it's great. Dermot's quick on it, but just didn't catch
Second time out.
Yeah, Dermot looking for answers here at the moment, Ollie.
Yeah, he's going back to the well again now.
12-4 coming back.
Yeah, I wonder what's he going to do. What's the plan now?
Yeah, it's like for Dermot now, 12-4 down in the second game. This is a bit of a mammoth task, to be honest. He has put together fives and 6 point. He put a 6-point run together in the last match.
That's right. Yeah, the first game. Yeah.
He has to find a way of being more aggressive and getting his shots off early, and he definitely can't be putting them into the floor.
Yeah.
Like he's given away too many points to Robbie in these last couple of minutes. But if there's a steadier handballer out there, I haven't seen him. And
we'll go for a steady, Chris. You're steady, man. Steady.
You're coming after me hard today.
Steady, Chris. We call you. We call you.
I don't think you do. You're coming after me hard. I must have said something. Maybe last time, Marie.
No, I'm still bitter about the chocolate. I've still heard about the chocolate.
I thought it was because.
No, you did well, because you know I'm off for Lent. I can see
that. Yeah, I was doing you a favour.
Yeah, you did me a favour.
Time.
Doing you a favour.
Yeah.
But I think that yourself and I thought you were mad because I was trying to hint at, making.
Look at them two good-looking lads there, mighty men.
Making an honest man of yourself, Giving us a good day out. That's all we want.
It's a good job she's working.
She is, yeah.
She won't be watching.
12 in, 4 out.
12 in, 4 out. What do you think, Chris? Can Dermot get back into this game?
This is a big task for Dermot at this stage.
If anyone can do it, as you said, he's steady. Dermot can do it. Big chance
Opportunity for Robbie, though.
Chance with the kit dog.
Big shot.
Robbie's just on form, isn't he? He's really on form today.
Point. 13 play
Dermot's
4.
actually starting to show signs of frustration here.
That glove shot looks like it's not a hinder, but it looks like a hinder.
No, yeah, Joey.
14 play 4.
Paul said that last week on commentary as well. It looks like it should make the wall, but it doesn't.
Yeah. No, chance for Dermot. That's more like it.
That's more like it.
That's more like it now. That's the first chance he took now in a long time.
4 in, 14 out.
So Jim Nash going to a power serve. Definitely footfall to that one as well.
Big chance here from.
That's a good shot. Opportunity off the fly. Jerry flicks it out to the back wall.
Fly kill coming. No. Big rally here, Chris. That's a great handball here. Look at this, a fly kill.
What a shot.
Look at that. Brilliant rallies.
Both of them going for shots, leaving them an inch up. Jimmy gets it in the end. But it's a big rally, isn't it?
Mark.
The shots here, the handball here is unbelievable. It's Dambek's
5-14.
I can't pronounce that word. Dambexterity, both players.
I'll let you sit there and struggle with it, sure.
It's unbelievable, the two-handed play here. It's a big serve. Now he's changed the serve.
Yeah,
it worked.
So that's his second power serve in a row now. And
he's like Rocky Balboa. He's changed to Kit Dog now. He's changed. He's fighting Mr. T and he's changed to Kit Dog. It's like if he timed it. Or else he's listening to me in the commentary, Chris.
It might be.
Chance here. Good. Robbie's there. Lovely pick
what
from Robbie.
Pick.
Lovely
That's
pick.
Outrageous.
Jeez, he read it so
good. The hands are so good.
Watch this. And it was a good kill, Chris. Look at that. Robbie floats it in.
Yeah.
He makes it look so easy.
14 in, 6 out.
So Robbie goes to the ceiling. Jeremy flicks it back in there as well. That's a loose shot from Robbie, but he'll get away with it.
Chance
That's
here for
another
Dermot.
loose shot.
He's going to Kit Dog. Good two-wall pass.
It's going to be up. Jeremy drives it around the walls.
No, big chance here. He needs to take this. No, he's trying to run Robbie. He got caught. Chance here for Robbie.
Well, that's a dirty one off the side glass.
No,
Neither
Robbie.
of them getting it at the moment.
Jeremy
just stands up.
Dermot. He's annoyed with himself at that. He knows he should have done better. Then he got the chance.
He just by the way he stood up there, he
Second time out, second game. Robbie, 15 plus 6, coming back.
Again, a big
Robbie
lead for Robbie. In the way he's playing, it looks like all one-way traffic. Jim really has to find something, even though he just picked up the last point or two. He's not picking up anything easy off Robbie at the moment, is he?
No, Robbie's hitting form, and Dermot is not on form. Even coming in after the semi-final, he was putting a few balls into the ground, and
he was playing in moments, but as he said, Jim has to find something in the well now. He has to go with something different because Robbie's looking at his ease at the moment.
I wonder what's the great Jim Nash telling him now.
Yeah, like
coached him from a young lad all the way up. Does a lot of coaching in Clare, Tuamgraney Club.
10 seconds. (15+6).
So Robbie McCarthy with the commanding lead here, deep into the second game. Moments of scrappy play from both players. They've been perfectly honest, but a real difficult game so far.
15 to Robbie.
Gotta
6
say,
out to
Robbie's superior shot making has kind of come to the front here, Ollie.
Yeah, I think he's hitting form at the right time.
He's going down the right. Jeremy.
But if anyone coming back, Jeremy can come
I think
back.
he's still moving very well. Like, it's just some hand errors that are a little bit loose. Opportunity for Jeremy.
Chance here,
oh,
yeah.
what a shot!
Yeah.
Big shot, and a big moment from Jeremy Nash.
Yeah, whatever Jim said to him, it seems to have worked. He's going back to the underhand toss now here now.
6-15.
See, can he pull it out?
So Jeremy drives one down the left. Robbie flicks it to the ceiling. It's a good shot from Jeremy. Hugs the left hand sidewall.
Chance here for Dermot now. Drop it awkward. Lovely paddle shot from Robbie.
What a pick from Jeremy. Robbie does so well to get in. Oh my God, two of them so fast.
Unbelievable.
Robbie
This is a big rally, Chris. Great picks.
Oh, what a hand there from Jeremy. He changed his mind mid-shot.
The Kito came out again. The whip, like sometimes he does he get confused? Does he go for the sidearm or does he change his mind and go for the whip? I don't know what's going on there. Chance for Dermot now.
Oh, Jeremy with a hand there again.
Replay that one again.
Oh.
Replay.
Wow.
It's a
Big
replay,
pull from
Robbie.
Gavin.
It's a cover ball. He couldn't see any of it. 15+6.
I don't know about that call.
I don't know about that one either. That's it.
I don't know, Gavin. No, I don't know. Maybe he's trying to undo the call from the first game. I don't know about that one. No.
Yeah, that one. I think Jim was obviously looking for it, but I don't think he was that badly covered. Again, it's hard in the moment when you're a referee to, but they are big calls. So Robbie drives it down the right.
Gavin felt he had to give him that call, I suppose. There's pressure on him. I don't know. I don't think it was a block though.
16+6.
16+6. The Westmeath man going in to serve.
Around the corner, Jimmy puts it around the walls. Robbie flicks it up to the ceiling.
Big chance.
Jimmy digs it out.
Up the roof again. Robbie working Jim's right hand now this time because he's tired.
Robbie sticks out his hand to
Jim
touch
in the front
Jim.
court now. I'd have flown that one.
Oh.
Play it again.
It's yeah, again. Both players getting around the breaks really well.
16+6.
All the breaks going to Robbie at the moment, Ollie.
Yeah, he's in the right place, the right time now.
Drives it down the
Big
right,
serve.
gets a crack serve.
Goes to fly. Oh,
Oh,
lovely
what a shot.
fly pass.
What
Two-wall pass.
that is
That's
exceptional.
some shot. Look at that.
it.
Look how easy he makes it. Sure, that's...
Yeah.
Let's go home, that is. That's enough. That's
Third
great
time
stuff.
out.
So Jimmer takes his third time
Second
out.
game, Dermot 17+6.
What you doing,
coming
Robbie's
back.
in that kind of form?
it's-
You can't. There's not much you can do. He's just playing unbelievable stuff here. And to think he was going to retire, it'd be a shame if he retired.
Well, look, the way that he's playing at the moment, he's playing so aggressive and hitting the ball so crisp, and even Jim's tried to make a difficult attritional game, and he's winning those exchanges too, Ollie.
Yeah. There's the prestigious cup there, as Jimmer mentioned. It's very hard to win two. He's won one, but it's very hard to win two. But Robbie has won, is it 7? 7 All-Irelands.
7, yeah.
Jesus.
Right. Yeah, like, but the players that have won one, you're talking about some of the greats of the game as well. Owen Kennedy has one. Like Charlie Shanks has one. Martin Mulcairns has one. You know, I can understand Jim would want to separate himself from the pack, and I've no doubt that he can win a second and probably will win a second at some stage. But today, Robbie is 4 points away from another senior 4-world title and looks in complete control of this match.
Resuming play.
And he's serving.
He's serving, that's the most important part of it.
Yeah.
And he's serving well.
17-6.
He's serving very well.
So, Robbie drives one down the left. Leaves it up off
Lovely
the back
touch.
wall though.
How does he get to that?
That's a great shot from Jim. Jim needs to get stuck in now. He has to get first shots away.
6 in, 17 out.
Early.
He has to find something here on this serve now. He has to make it hard for Robbie if he wants to stay in this.
Goes to a Z toss.
It's worked. It's a shot, an opportunity here for Dermot. Robbie's there though. Robbie's so good inside.
Oh, what a shot
very
from
diving
Dermot.
kill. The Tony Healy kill. Diving kill.
He gets his feet moving so quickly. You look here. That first step is so fast. That's unbelievable stuff from Dermot.
7.
That's exactly what he needs though.
70.
So 7-17. Goes to another Z toss. This is an opportunity for him. Doesn't break kindly off the back wall.
He needs to take that opportunity though.
Another opportunity for Jeremy. He digs it out.
That's a good shot from Robbie. Very good shot off the shoulder. Overhand pass. Very good. Very hard to do.
Hand out.
So Robbie McCarthy playing some super
17
stuff
in,
here.
7 out. Play it again, cover ball.
Robbie won't mind. He's into serve. It's another chance for him to serve.
Yeah, Robbie with one hand on the trophy at this stage. Bar miracle from Dermot. Dermot has to go
short.
14 points to 3 if he's to win this second game, which is when Robbie's in this type of form. It's like
serve.
If I was a betting man, I wouldn't be betting on that. I tell you that much.
Lovely dump shot. It makes it look so easy.
Yeah.
Lovely dump.
Exceptional from Robbie. All one-way traffic here.
18 plus 7.
So Robbie McCarthy at 18-7 up. Drives one down the right. Jim does well to pick that out. Goes to paddle in. What a shot.
When Robbie's comfortable like that, it's great to watch. Unbelievable stuff. Dumping left and right. Makes it look so easy. Pushes Dermot back to the back of the court and dumps into the corners.
Unbelievable.
It's something great. It's great to watch that.
19-7.
It's unbelievable control.
Robbie drives it down the right again. There's a big setup off the back wall, but
look at that fly. Look at the fly.
It's just everywhere, isn't he?
Dominating the game. Dominating the rally.
Jimmy comes up short. This isn't working.
Third time out. Second game. Westmeath 20.
So
plus 7 coming back.
So Robbie takes a timeout. As Jim would dump that last one into the floor. He'll be very bitterly disappointed with this second game display from Jim Nash after going so close in the first. But Robbie will have the ball in hand and he'll be serving for the championship. As you see Jim with contemplating, thinking deeply. Again, you know he's going to fight all the way to the end, Ollie.
Yeah, he's going to try, but as you said, he needs a miracle, Chris.
Yeah, it's
against Robbie McCarthy's form like this.
Yeah.
He needs. I don't know. If this was a football match, the Clare fans would be walking out, wouldn't they?
Yeah. But yeah, it's a final hurdle that doesn't look like it's going to be made by Dermot. But
10 seconds.
Robbie's coming back in. He will have the ball in hand. That's the most important part in this game. And he'll want to take the first opportunity, no doubt, to win another senior All-Ireland title.
Resuming play.
That would put him up there with
28
titles
plays
as
to
well.
7.
Serious record.
So Robbie drives one down the right.
Oh.
Opportunity. He finished it, and he's the All-Ireland senior champion once again.
Robbie McCarthy has done it.
Robbie McCarthy, 8 times the All-Ireland senior four-wall champion. One of the greats of our game.
Unbelievable. He played unbelievable stuff. Unbelievable.
Incredible game there from Robbie. Jimmy, there wasn't to be today, and he drew some missed opportunities, but Robbie was on fire.
Just ask you to stay in your seats, please, folks.
We're going to see the presentation.
Do the presentation in a couple of minutes.
Paul Fitzpatrick's going to be taking it from here. What's your final thoughts, Ollie?
Robbie was unbelievable. I'm glad he didn't retire when he said he was going to retire, because that's some display of handball, Chris.
Yeah. Looks like he's really enjoyed the game the last couple of weeks.
And he changed his game. He really changed his game. He said what he quoted. He'd say, shoot or be shot. Shot? What is it? Shoot or be shoot? I don't know, but he shot anyway. He shot the ball today.
Yeah, he was shooting all over the shop. He was exceptional stuff for Robbie.
Yeah.
A great win. Great championship from him. Dermot, I'm sure, almost inconsolable. And a tough loss for Dermot, who put in so much into this championship. But we're going to take a quick minute or two before this presentation starts, where Paul Fitzpatrick and Kevin Cook will have a few words to say. We're going to have the presentation now.
Okay, folks, just ask you to take your seats for a minute, please. We're going to call on Robbie and Dermot to come to the court for the presentation. In the meantime, can you give a big round of applause for the new senior singles champion from Westmeath, Robbie McCarthy. I'm sure everyone would agree we saw handball at its very, very best there. So before we hear from the new champion here, Robbie, I'm going to hand over to Uachtaráin, Liathróid Láimhe, Kevin Cook.
Thanks, Paul. Ladies and gentlemen, Corja, thanks everyone for making the journey to the National Handball Centre for O'Neill's.com senior finals. It's a credit to all the staff here at this fine venue that we have for handball. I'd like a round of applause for them, please. We witnessed today 2 fantastic games in the final. And it's a great day for us coming in the ladies' final with the gold medal, and well done to Fiona. Great stuff. Before I go any further, I'd just like to welcome our new head of handball, Lizzie Lynch. Lizzie, you might stand up there. Lizzie has come in to join us since November, and she's making great strides. So well done to Lizzie, and we look forward to working her in the weeks and months ahead. Thank you very much. We can't let the day pass without our referees, Frank Daly and Gavin Buggy, and our linesmen, done a fantastic job. It's not a simple job, but guys, reality, without them, our games won't take place. So again, thank you very much to all the referees for the weekend and the Lions judges. Well done. To our media, to Paul, Ollie and Chris, well done. Without them, it's great to zoom in on TV at home or on the phone and get the commentary and get the whole lot. And well done to them for professionalism and a great job that they do. Again, this is impossible without the likes of McAvee, who put on a great stream, and it's a credit to them and fair play. Thank you very much. Again, Sport TG4 gives us a platform to showcase our sport. To us, handball is everything. We all know that, but we like to get it out there to those who don't know the sport. So again, thanks to Sport TG4 for that. Again, look, thanks everyone for making the journey today, and to our two players in the last final. It was a fantastic game. It didn't go Dermot's way, but look, it's all on the day. Another day it could be a different event. But look, well done to both players. So, Dermot. And to again, our champion, Robbie.
Don't go anywhere, Robbie. We'll just have a quick word with you. I was going to say it's great to have you back, but you weren't gone for that long after the 60 by 30. Brilliant for handball to see you back in the 40 by 20, and brilliant for the sport that you've picked up another title, Robbie. How does it feel?
I'd say there's a lot of people saying that they're raging I did come back, but it was their fault. A couple of them brought me back, being honest. Just want to say thanks to them people that know who they are. It feels great to be back and pick up another one. Like, as I said, I'm just playing for fun now, no pressures, and I'm just enjoying myself, and it seems to be working. I just want to thank everybody. It's really appreciate everything everyone's done for me here this year as well. So, thanks very much.
Your powers certainly aren't waning, Robbie. We saw in the semi-final against David Walsh, you rolled back the years again today against a brilliant opponent in Dermot. You put on an exhibition. So, is it safe to say that you might keep going for another while now?
I'm not going to say whether I will or whether I won't, because I made that mistake already. I'm just going to play and enjoy myself, and if I feel like I'm able to compete and stick with the younger lads, Dave, with Dee there, he's a tremendous players, both of them actually. But if I can stick competing with them, I'm happy. So just enjoying myself and still being around the game it's really nice. So I don't know how long I'm going to play for, how long the wife is going to let me play for. Natural enough, I have my son tagging along now, so we'll see how it goes, and we'll just enjoy the moment and enjoy the time we have playing.
We'll give it up for the senior singles champion, Robbie McCarthy.
Okay, that's everything from the All-Ireland Senior Singles 4-Wall Championships. Congratulations to Westmeath and Robbie McCarthy. Commiserations to Clare and Jim Nash. We'll be back in the next couple of weeks with the All-Ireland Senior Doubles Championship here from Croke Park. We're looking forward to seeing you there. Best of luck to everyone in the All-Ireland Intermediate, Junior, over 35s, Junior B, and all the other championships that will be concluded tomorrow. But until then, we'll see you in a couple of weeks.